at it again. We are live Friday afternoon, 1 hour until the close. The question is, will we be red? Will we be green? That is what I want to know. Hopefully we're closing green today. We'll find out. We got our line on the chart. You guys know where it's at. Man, we've got a good conversation going on in the chat already. Nufo, GLG, Mike Swaz, DD214, Riptide Redemption, Brett, Zach, Riptide, Zach, Ross, Nick F. Oh, yeah, love it when Nick F is in here nice and early. Ross, John Sullivan, Riptide again, very good. 1111 Simon, and Sam Blow, all in here. Very nice, guys. Welcome back for the afternoon session. And look, we get online, and what does AMC do? We get on, AMC goes up. Come on now, AMC, just above this little Christmas colored line, and we are green for the day. Well, Volkswagen Squeeze went to 1,000. It was an accident with no apes, just saying, so we can go so much higher. Was. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to trade, blah, 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 blah. Out, skip class. We're going to go, blah, 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 Ortex data trade. Oh, yes, 1111 Simon. Looking good so far, man. I'm surprised down to a T. You know exactly what he says. Come give me a hug, bro. Let's see how good they are. Man, I missed whatever we're talking about there, but it sounds very nice, man. I have a tendency to sniff the hair during a hug, so don't let it freak you out. I like it, man. I like it. My hair smells really good, so make sure to during the hug. That's the way to do it. If you don't do it like that, why not? I'm always here, usually second. Because Steve Danger is usually first. Thank you, Nick F. Sup, Clay, bro, and everybody. Crypto Rocketeer, how you doing, man? Shrudy in the house. All right, Shrudy, I love it. How shocking, we will be under 40 for the week. So frustrating. Left wing wacko. We're going to close in the green today, man. We're going to close above $40.31. Nothing in below 40. No. How was lunch, Clay? Lunch was good, Nick. Lunch was good. I had chicken and rice for lunch today, and it tasted delicious. Squeeze not having in September, then it'll happen in October. Yep, Ishan, you get the drill by now. If it doesn't happen this month, it's going to happen next month. If it doesn't happen next month, it's going to happen the following month. By after, before it's too late. Exploding. Oh, ATER, A-T-E-R. Jose Antonio Salgado, man. I don't know what A-T-E-R is, but if it's exploding and you want to jump on the ride, go ahead, jump on the ride. Clay, I have terrible news for you, Sam. Let's hear it, man. I want to hear this terrible news. 4501, bring it. Pringleton. 4501 is a bit of an optimistic close, but I'm an optimistic kind of guy. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, too, as well, Vastille. 4501, I like it. My dude's going for a $5 increase during power hour today. I say we run. Let's see it. Baby resistance right here. Let's get rid of this one. We don't need that. We don't need that. Little baby resistance right there. Okay, you know what we need for Johan? In case Johan's watching right now. Let's get this. You guys know what we need. We need a trend line for Johan, my boy. You got this, Johan. Got this for you right here. Oh yeah, keep it going. Break out of resistance, get back in the green for the day, and the fight begins. Power hour is on. Let's go, Luca. Nah, Clay's so adorable. You're adorable, KM. Come on now. While you were gone, I joined Matt Core's stream, and he was kicking people, talking about being jealous of Sprt or whatever, and then never having done anything. So he don't care about them. How much money they were all making, so I jumped in for a quick trade, and I turned 10,000 into 8,000 in about 15 minutes. Very nice, Sam Blow. Very nice. That is the day trading 101, man. Go ahead, turn 10,000 into 8,000, nice and quick, just like that. Very good, dude. That's day trading 101, and you did it to a T perfectly. But I don't want to see anybody losing money. And I also, I don't know, man. What was it? He was kicking people out, talking about people being jealous of Sprt or whatever. Oh man, wow, dude. If he was kicking you out, you didn't want to act jealous, so you had to jump in on the trade, right? You had to do that. Gosh, I don't know why people got to get kicked out of live streams, guys. You're not gonna get kicked out of this live stream unless one, for some reason, you make Oil Tip mad. I feel like he likes to ban people pretty quick if you make him mad, and then two, unless you're like acting belligerent or like super rude to somebody, you're not going to get kicked out of this live stream. Twinsies, I bought a little support at the absolute peak, 58.46. Nice, Brett. That just means that you're going to be able to buy and sell at the absolute peak of AMC, too. Did Chipro have her babies yet? Nufo, I don't know, because I have not seen Chipro in 2 days. I have not seen Chipro in 2 days, and I'm getting a little worried. Being obedient is all that the life has taught me, so I got your back. Shrudy and Nick F. Shrudy's got your back, Nick F. I like it. Being obedient. Good thing, I guess. Follow me more for day trading tips. Sam Blow, I will follow you. It sounds like you are a very good day trader, man. Turning 10,000 into 8,000 in about 15-minute period. I like it, dude. If you want to get kicked out, let's get started. Exactly, Ross. What did you find out about support and what was happening? Where did people find out about support? Well, Ross, I don't know. Okay, short interest was high, and Ortex was pumping support for a while because short interest was around 70%, right? So a lot of people started talking about it a couple days ago. And I think they coupled that with the fact that it did start running a couple days ago. Because it was around $4 per share, I'd say maybe 2 weeks ago or so. And then it started running, and people started talking about it. But, dude, today's gain is it's not typical, man. You had a huge gap up on today's gain. So I wouldn't say they definitely knew about it, but it was producing some pretty decent gains over the last week. Trudy, teach Clay. Teach me to be obedient, Trudy. Please! Hey, Clay, bro, missed the stream in the morning due to Sprt. Orange Folius! Why would you miss the stream due to that, man? All SPRT support better be coming into AMC. Absolutely, John. Especially if you're selling AMC to buy SPRT. Do not do that. Can I be kicked out of this live stream and rejoin just for fun? Vasteel. Be careful what you wish for, man. There's some people out there that will definitely time you out. Battle of $40. El Campo. We're going to make it. We're going to make it 40. We're going to close green today. I'm calling a green day. If SPRT made these gaps up in a few days, imagine 8 months of AMC hype. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ross. Now people are starting to understand. How did the borrow fee go from 5.6 to 0.9? John, if it went back down, I did not see the recent borrow rate, right? If it went back down, one of two things happened. One, less people are wanting to borrow it, so the borrow rate has to be less so that it's more enticing for people to borrow it. Or two, more shares became available to borrow. One of those two things would have happened for the borrow rate to come back down. Sport has an short interest of 76%, extremely low float, and the massive amount of FTDs on the securities list over a month. Shorts still haven't covered. It is FOMO buying stepping in, and that's how you get the run up right now. And I don't know if shorts are covering or not on that, right? Antics. I don't know the numbers. I don't know the estimated numbers that are going on with support right now. But, yeah, dude, a lot of people seem very interested, especially with some bigger channels pumping that stock now instead of AMC. What up, what up, what up, what up, Redline Sean? Close pink today. We're going to close red today. Or we're going to close green today, Vince, not pink. Come on. What was a home run this month? I wouldn't hate it. The market is about making money. I'm all for it. I'm up over 600% this month. Very nice, Antics. Very nice. Clay Bro doesn't need lessons, Nick F. I think we all know why. Click, 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 click. Hey, Denny. Have a great weekend. Call me. What's up, Denny? How you doing, man? Hopefully you're having a great Friday so far. And yes, you do have a great weekend. My SPRT profits will be going to other plays. I'm an XXX holder of AMC already. Made my profits and covered initial investment at 69. Very nice, Ryan. Very nice. Clay, could you explain the NSC rule next week and how it may affect AMC? So the next week rule would be the one on September 1st, right? And it means that they're going to have to increase their margin requirements. And you know what, man? I think they're going to be able to find money. A lot of people think that every new rule coming into effect is going to cause AMC to squeeze. The fact that they have to have more capital on hand to cover their margin requirements, they're going to be able to find that capital. If there's one thing a hedge fund is good at, it's finding money. They might not be that good at making money, but they can certainly find money when they need to find it. So I think I don't know, man. I don't think it's going to have a huge effect on AMC or cause a squeeze if that's what you're hoping for. SPRT surprised me. They were at 40% yesterday. I thought people would take profits, but nope. Kept running to about, yeah, and you're exactly right, John. You're exactly right. You know, you say, how do you find this? How do you find these plays that rip like that? With support hitting highs and gaining like it did over I believe it was about a 2-week run. Gaining like it did. It's very hard to see a day like today with everybody holding. But you're right, man. I think it was Ross that said it earlier. With the support that AMC's got, when it rips, it's going to rip much harder than support is. Everyone in SPRT, what is AMC is doing? Yes, that is exactly right. We are going to rip higher just like SPRT did. No notification, Clay. Come on, YouTube. Get on it. Appreciate it, Clay, bro. Ryan, absolutely. They found a lot of mine today. Come on. found a lot of your what today? I think I missed it. I was kicked out of TMI's live stream last week because I mentioned the issue review dork had with the Reddit people. Oh, man. Hey, if you want to Reddit issues here, I know, am I lagging? It looks like I'm lagging on my screen. Yeah, dude. I got issues with Reddit, too, because Reddit has issues with me for some reason. So, let's go, Reddit. Every ape planning to sell AMC to buy SPRT. No, we are not planning on selling AMC to buy SPRT. I find money in the bank all the time. Good deal, Vince. Good deal. And they found a lot of mine today. Yeah, okay, now I understand what Sam was saying when I was saying that the hedge funds find money. There you go. Go tweet that you're live. I should tweet that I'm live. Let's see if that actually works. If anybody on Twitter follows me, I'm gonna pull that up and see if that actually brings anybody in here. Am I lagging though? Because it looks like I'm glitching on the screen. Just a bit of lag, not much. Yeah, it looks like I'm a little bit like I'm not very fluid. AMC support is unlike any other. You think you've seen a squeeze? Wait until you see the squeeze where the apes don't sell. Exactly, Riptide Redemption. It's going to be beautiful. Clay, do you think AMC will only hit 1,000 when Volkswagen almost? Well, listen, man, Ross. Volkswagen was trading. Okay, Volkswagen had less shares outstanding, and Volkswagen was also trading at like 400 euro per share. Dropped down to like 200, 250 euro per share, and then ripped up beyond 1,000 euro per share. So it was a different situation than AMC ripping up, because you only had like a 5x rip on the Volkswagen squeeze, and I do think that AMC is going to have much bigger than a 5x multiple, right? We're already there. We're already from 200 to 70 bucks. Yes, like, yeah, I knew there was a little bit. Keep your energy, brother. Thank you very much, Paul. Appreciate that. Tweet, and I will go click it. You will be coming from Twitter then. All right, I did open up, well, I opened up the tab. I didn't technically open up Twitter. All right, so let's open up Twitter, get that bad boy loading there, and see if we can share the live stream. Screen flickers when you make it big, when you make big, quick movements. I don't know if it does or not. We'll find out. Let me know. The opposite of the apes are taking their profits in SPRT and buying more AMC. Matt did a poll, and over 10,000 people voted. 89% said they were buying more AMC with the profits. Very nice. And look, man, I believe that a lot of people will. I believe that whether they add 1 share or 100 shares, I believe that they're going to be jumping back into AMC. I have no problem with people trading other stocks. I have a problem with people day trading AMC. I don't have a problem with people day trading other stocks. I do have a problem though with people like, oh yeah, let's go take all of our focus on AMC and shift it over to Clover because Clover's ripping, or Support because Support's ripping, or whatever the next one. Torch was ripping a while ago. Like all these other stocks. Let's keep the focus on AMC now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this one, get a shareable link. Okay, Twitter. It's loading Twitter. I don't know why it's being so slow. Oh, man. I hope that the Wi-Fi is not acting up. I hope the Wi-Fi is not acting up and wants to lag out when I do this. Hey, I made $5K one day off Clover. John! Very nice, man. Very nice. Meggy is bummed. Everyone isn't happy. He's killing it on SPRT. Oh, man. I think Matt's got a lot of... I don't know, man. Matt's got a lot of problems with a lot of people not liking the stuff that he does. I don't understand why they don't like when somebody else makes money. Clay, I need you to have a problem with me day trading any stock. Sam, I got a problem with you day trading any stock where you lose $2,000 on it. Come on now. My problem is with you. Hey, Clay, how important is it holding 40 today? Johan! It's so important, man. It's so... I don't know. I don't know how many options are going to expire in the money at $40 and if a close above 40 is going to cause a gamma squeeze or any sort of a gamma squeeze or not. Obviously, it's significant if we do close above it psychologically and for options expiring in the money, but I don't know if it's like a game changer, man, especially if we close right below 40. I don't think it's going to be that tragic if we do. Okay, YouTube link. Come. What are you doing, man? No. Okay. Come hang out in the live stream. I mean, that's simple and to the point, right? That's simple and to the point. Tweet it. Go click on that. If you're already here, don't leave and then go click on it. How did... Oh. Rudy! Thanks for sharing that, man. I'm like... Did I tag Rudy in that? Like, why is Rudy's name exactly when I tweet that out? Why is Rudy's name on the top of my feed with the live stream? Thank you very much for sharing the live stream on Twitter as well. I liked it. Clay, what do you think will happen a week after the squeeze is over? What is the next play? What are the apes going to do next? Ross, I have no idea, man. Honestly, I believe that there's going to be some shorting going on with AMC on the way back down, and we could have a potential round 2. Sam, it isn't making money. I think Matt MK kind of changed as his channel got big, and he's made more money, in my opinion. He's gotten kind of arrogant, and watching him is less enjoyable. It makes me feel small. Well, Sam, don't feel small here, man. All right, never feel small here. However, yeah, I do see a shift in his channel of more like a Meet Kevin kind of vibe going on in there. So I do think that he's kind of shifting slightly. Oh, Lauren is here. Yes, Lauren, what's going on? Finally finished work. I've never even checked AMC today. Man, it sounds like you had a busy day today, Lauren. I'm so glad that you're here hanging out with us. AMC is going to close green. We are hopeful that AMC closes green today. It's only 89 people in here. Nobody got the notification yet. YouTube glitches as always. Come on, YouTube. Send the notification out. What are you doing? Mark Paul wrong. I missed what Mark Paul had to say. I agree. I don't mind that. I don't know what you agree with, but it's alright. But when you don't educate your audience and they YOLO at the peak. Yeah, dude. Don't YOLO at the peak, though. That's rough. Are we in trouble with AMC? No, I am not in trouble with AMC. Hi, guys. Lisa, good afternoon to you. Yes, it is afternoon for you in California. It's afternoon for everybody now. Good deal. Unless you're Kyle and you live in Hawaii. Or you're, what is it, Naomi, and live in Alaska. Selling my one Sprt and buying AMC, will that impact the market? DD214, it absolutely will. It absolutely will. You got to sell that one AMC or that one Sprt and get that Spirit. You got to sell that one support and get that AMC, man. Caesar, thank you very much for the super chat. Caesar says, if we end above 40, next week could be interesting. Dude, next week will be interesting. We will end above 40. It will close green today, and it's going to be all good things. Watch this. We got this line, this ascending support line here. It's going to hold up the rest of the day. I know it will. This is for Johan right here. We're closing in the green. This line right here is green on the day. 7 cents is all we need. Or Japan. Something about Japan. Sell that crap and buy AMC. Ricardo, yes. I would try my very best. I don't know what you're trying your best on, Lauren, but I know you always do. He will lead off to mass sell out. Trust me. Maybe, because he's got a very large following. It isn't him making money. I think Mancor's kind of changed his channel. This is a hedgy trying to create discontent in the ranks. No, Josh, no. Sam Blow is not a hedgy. And I agree with it, man. I agree. He's gone from a very AMC-centered channel to a very broader stock market channel. And nothing wrong with the way the dude wants to take it, but he's not AMC-centric anymore. Regardless of what YouTuber does, what an AMC holder is a friend of mine. I just picked who I watch. There you go, Riptide Redemption. Let's not get into dividing groups or opinions. We are absolutely not doing that here. You are 100% correct. How do you do a Rudy chant? How do you do a Rudy chant? I don't know. We need Denny to rage buy. Let's send the stock higher. Yes, Denny, man. Rage buy. We need to go above 40. We're in the green now, guys. I think Denny might be rage buying right now. Hi, Lauren. Hope you're feeling better. Hi, Vigilante. How you doing? Yes, not being able to trade in options in Sweden. I don't really understand it. If 67,000 call options ends up in the money today, does that mean that the market makers will have to buy 6.7 million stocks Monday? It just all depends on how many shares. They don't have to go out and buy them if they've either if they've bought call options themselves, so they're going to get those shares and so on. They can hedge against those, and they may already have the positions available. Aria, thank you very much for the super chat. Aria says AMC, bye bye bye. I am still holding strong. Hashtag not leaving. I'm also holding strong, and I am also not leaving. Aria, thank you very much. We've got those diamond hands, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Aria. We absolutely do. Pete in the house. What's happening, Clay Bro? Made 400 this morning and bought more AMC. Very nice, PDP. Did you make it on SPRT or what'd you make it on, man? Today, I made a coconut chicken curry with rice. Does anyone's to eat? Yes, man, Ishan, that sounds very good, dude. I would eat that. Did receive notification for this live. Fatima, why not? Well, YouTube, why are you not sending notifications out? Come on. Guys, make sure your bell is clicked. That's not code. Just make sure your bell is clicked on the next to the subscribe button there. Because you need that. But for 1 or 10 winners, you have 1,000 losers. Typically, that's a bad trading percentage if you've got 1 winner for every 1,000 losers. But did I win the bro keychain giveaway, Clay, bro? We didn't do a bro keychain giveaway, man, because nobody shares the live stream. You got to share the live stream. So you with me, huh, Mark? Yes, Mark is with you for sure. You guys are the best day traders ever. Did he put weed in the coconut? Johan, I highly doubt that he did that. I highly doubt it. Sprt.com, rip hello, all you AMC future millionaires and early retirees. 1,000 times 1,000 a share is a million. 100 times 10,000 a share is a million. Yes, it is. 10 times 100,000 a share is a million. 1 times 1 million a share is a million. We're going for a million, guys. Million or bust. The bell is clicked, man. I always receive the notification, but not for this one. Fatima! Why does YouTube mess with me? I don't know. I don't know. Always click in Redline's bell's clicked and he never gets notifications. YouTube loves me, thank you, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. If we close green, Monday will be extra green. AMC has historically had strong Mondays on a green Friday. Let's go, Antics. We're gonna do it, man. We're gonna do it. We're gonna close green today. We are right there. We are right there. We only need 6 cents. Just keep your window open, listen for someone driving by yelling rocket. That is the best notification that you can get. Sam Blow, Mark, glad to hear it. I was afraid a mob was about to come after me. Never, Sam. You could handle the mob. I know you could. Just keep your window. Okay, so all of that one. Ishan, just put my magic in the curry. It is so delicious. What? 11 Simon added you on Twitter. Very nice, Rudy. And Rudy, thank you very much for sharing the live stream on Twitter as well. Well, co-parent this team to victory using great communication, always putting the team first. Yes, Rocket, we will. What do you expect for AMC in September, Cleaver? All good things. I expect AMC is going to go up in September. Johan, I think he lit it all up. Yeah, that curry's fire, man. Curry's fire. 3 salt shakers, heck yeah. The most wanted part of the live, by you, it is. 1 in each hand, rotate 45 degrees to the third one. I don't even know what you're talking about, man. But we got the salt shakers in the chat right now. You know, you just got to pour that salt out. You got to pour that salt out all over the floor, and then you got to throw it over your shoulders for good luck, right? And then because salt tastes so good, you just gotta get it in your mouth, right? But then it gets in your eye, and you gotta, oh man, it's just, it stings the eye so bad when you get salt in the eyes. Oh my gosh. 11-11, Mr. Simon. Thank you very much for all of the salt shakers. I know for some reason you really like salt, dude. You really like salt. You might want to get that looked at, but I don't recommend getting it looked at by me, man, because I seem to get it in my eye. Hello, Cave Bro. Your Twitter notification reminded me. Yesterday, first time I couldn't find your stream, even searching for you. Caesar! Dang it, man. Why is YouTube doing this to me? Okay, listen, we're gonna shift the focus off of YouTube. The focus is now on you guys. You have to share the stream. I don't care if you have 0 Twitter followers. Share the stream, share the video every time we post it, and let's see if the magic starts to happen. I gotta stop blaming YouTube and I gotta start blaming you. Old Ape still in the house, going to the moon. Nice, Adria. I am also going to the moon. Nikki89. Have you met Nick F and Nick? Yes, you should have. Clay, you're very lucky. I don't know how to make GIFs. I feel very lucky at this point because I feel like you should know how to make GIFs, dude. I feel like you would be the guy in here that could make them. So I feel very lucky about that. Orange Folius, thank you for the super chat. Orange Folius says, need a gallop to get to the green. At least he's not asking for a unicorn gallop. Alright, we're going green now because we got the gallop. We're in. No unicorn gallop, just a gallop, and we are going. That one was for you, Orange Folius, and Lauren, too, because Lauren is the one that came up with a wonderful gallop. Thank you. I love commitment to the SALT Act every time. 200% effort. 200% effort results in 200% of the salt. So, Lauren, yes, always committed. Rocket, hi, I'm watching that movie and live together and live together. Great at multitasking, but you should know by now the efficiency is just got halved. Man, I don't know if that's great then. When you're doing twice the amount of work, but half on each one, it's like the same thing as doing one. Okay, either way, good job, Shruti, good job. Speaking of making stuff, did you see my tweet? I tweeted at you this morning, a little more scandalous than yesterday's. No, I didn't see the tweet. You tweeted at me this morning. Usually a live shows up at the top of YouTube homepage, but it's not at the top of mine. Thank you. Am I even live right now? Does anybody know if I'm even live right now? I might not even be live at this moment. Okay, I'm back. Remember, yes, he is back. Good deal. And be nice to the Ape Father. Also, for transparency, I'm down 1,800 on options today. Oil tipped. You made 900 yesterday, dude. You were supposed to keep that. Can't win them all. No, you can't. I'll support this channel if you don't turn into the rest of streamers. Justin, I have a very strong feeling, man, that we're not going to go that direction. We're going to keep going the same direction we're going. Mozzarella sticks tonight. Oh, yes, oil tipped. Me too, oil tipped. Bad Friday for me. Mr. Enormous. Oh, no, man. I'm not sure. I'm watching from the basement of Nickelback. I'm watching from the basement with Nickelback via Periscope. Well, dude, either way, you're doing good then. If you're hanging out in the basement with Nickelback, Sprt at 29 is the run over. Johan, very well could be, man. We could watch it fall. It could fall. It could go to 3,000 on Monday. Who the heck knows? Are you a robot? Smurfy, I may be. So, when he started at 40 to 60, he kept pumping it and bought apes and brought apes that listened to him, and now they're all bag holders. I don't know if that was his intention or not, but where? Wow, terrible typo. Moz sticks tonight. What's wrong with Moz sticks tonight, dude? Mozzarella sticks tonight. Come on now, you're good. Moz sticks tonight? Sure. Johanna, hope Spirit isn't done running. Ampool Bacon, are you in Spirit? Pump and dump. That was more or less, listen, I don't even know if that's necessarily a pump and dump either, because they did have short interest out there. It's definitely just not playing out the same way that AMC played out. And opening to the quarters mentioned entry, exit points, market cap, technical analysis on Spirit. He just looked at it when others asked and mentioned he had a long position. Well, there you go, Tyler. Good deal on that one. By yours truly, real shill, the weasel. Man, we know that if you're calling him a weasel, that's like the Eight Fathers deal on him. You don't like his opinion, you have an audience, go to them. Yeah, and listen, if you don't like Matt Kors, you can come hang out with us, right? You can come hang out with us. Speaking of pumping dump, what's up, Lauren? Yes, speaking of pumping and not dumping, what's up, Lauren? How you doing? Do it again. I dare you. Do it again. Do it again. No, don't dare anybody to do anything, because then you're gonna ban them. Don't do it. SPRT was set up for the run as months as well. Yeah, man, and they had a very high short interest out there, so very good short squeeze play. I think that might have been offensive, and if it was, it's not offensive. Never. Listen, Lauren does not get offended by anything. Lauren is a very good girl. Margin calling next week, September 1st. I hope so, Christine, but please do not worry if it doesn't get margin called on September 1st. I know a lot of people are putting a lot of hope in the fact that hedge funds need greater margin requirements on September 1st, but I don't know if that's the catalyst that we're hoping for. I just want a green Friday. Me too, Ampool Bacon, and we are 16 cents away from a green Friday right now. 14, we can do it. 15 cents. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Double dog dare you, Smurfy. I don't know what double dog dare. Sounds dangerous though. Oh no, is Spirit falling? Is support falling now? Bought 10 AMC 40 calls for next week and 100 calls for MMAT, formerly Torch. Some dude did a video on MMAT and support possible squeeze. Let's see. Very nice, Claude. I hope that you hit on both of those. 10 AMC 40 calls for next week. I think you could probably do pretty good on those. We got some support in this $40 area right now, so we may see a bounce into the close here and throughout Monday. So I think that you get a decent spot on those $40 calls. I like when you guys buy calls on support levels. If you're going to be buying calls, I like when you buy them when it's bouncing off of support, and I think we're right there. Now, doesn't mean that we can't fall through fall through this level of $40 support, but at least we're holding it right now. You cheeky little muppet. I'm good, thanks, you. You cheeky little muppet, you, Sam. Come on now. So I guess you could say I have a very large short interest as well. Yes, you could say that, Sam. Very good to know. I don't bounce into the close. I bounce out of my close. And that is one of the best things that you can have going on in your life. Good deal, Brett. I like it. Buy more AMC and AQST Monday. Good deal, Laura. Lauren, I lost 2K today in record time, but I'm doing well now after hearing from you. Yes, everybody always does better after hearing from Lauren. 40-20, light one up for that. 40-20, light one up for that. So Rudy, you saying we're going to close at 40-20, or are you just saying that it was at 40-20 right now? Because I'm saying we're closing green, man. I say we close green. Rocket likes what he hears from Brett. That's very good. Doesn't bounce into the close. He bounces out of his close. Same blow. Ouch. Ouch. Hey, dude. What's up? Stad. What is going on, Stad? How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good day. Espero que você está tendo ótimo dia. Hey, dude. Yes. He's seen it. He's seen the bounce out of the close. Yes, Brett. I'm sure he has. Sprt is the only reason I'm down 1,800 instead of near 3,000. Oh my gosh. Oh, oil tipped. What happened to your stop losses that you had on yesterday, man? You had stop losses that take you all the way down to $3,000 loss, man? Come on, I have many accounts. I'm okay, dude. Very nice. We need the green name. Where's your green name account? And hopefully, if you've got many accounts, you subscribe to the channel on every single account. You just sounded like Chuck Woolery from the Love Connection. Well, hopefully that's a good thing. Lauren is the best. Yes, Lauren is the best, guys. Come on. Mr. Clay, you're so smart and knowledgeable, plus fun to listen to. I hope you don't mind the lava lamp jokes. What do you mean mind them? I love the lava lamp jokes. I love the lava, guys, it's always, the lava lamp is always a little thinner towards the tip, and it's always got more girth towards the base. It's just what it is. I didn't make any today. Haven't had any to make or lose. Good deal, Chris. Good deal. Nope. SPRT was green. Very nice, oil tipped. I like it. But don't worry, guys. I'm still live streaming tonight. And check out the Vigilante when he live streams. Always. I like it, Stat. I like it. Can't complain. Portfolio up 5% for the week, but still waiting for AMC to squeeze already. Nufo. We're all here waiting with you, man. Sam Blow. What did Sam blow? What do you blow your money on, Sam? Yeah, we need to know. What do you blow your money on, Sam? Kick what? Bolsonaro banger. I don't even know what you're talking about there. Oh, made 1,900 SPRT today and dumped profits in AMC. Very nice, Nick. Very nice. Oh, nice. That's what you're saying there. I thought you were saying kick. Dude, your eyes is a little green today. What happened? I don't know. Are my eyes green? What's going on? Do the eyes look green today? I got green eyes? My eyes change colors, guys. They change colors. Sometimes they're a little brown. Sometimes they're a little green. Are the green eyes good or the green eyes bad? Fake eyes. Yeah, we got the fake eyes in the stream today. I was hoping nobody noticed, but no. I think we got green eyes because we're closing green today. Yes, very good. Claybro has a level of optimism that would annoy Latin women. They'll like him in the beginning, but since Latinas are nationally hot-blooded, they need to push buttons. Push the buttons all day long. Push them, see what happens. Odd says push them back with optimism. Yes, Alien Clay. We've got an Alien Clay in the chat right now. Very good, guys. Very good, because Alien Clay brings the money. When Alien Clay shows up, we make more money. Nick's got the Ortex update. Ortex update. Thank you very much, Nick. Estimated short interest change plus 2.03%. Return shares 2.64 million. Borrowed shares 4.79 million. Borrowed change plus 2.15 million. Estimated current short interest to free float 17.37%. Estimated current short interest 88.85 million. Utilization 92.95%. Thank you very much, Nick, for the update on that one. I like it. See you later. Thank you for coming, Stat. I will see you later as well. Make sure to click the like button on your way out. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Snap, Clay. Mine are green, brown, too. I call them poo color. Lauren, why would you do that? It's beautiful. Some days they're green, some days they're brown. I guess it depends on the lighting. I don't know. I think it's beautiful. I don't think it's poo. Come on now. Can't wait see everyone who profited out of SPRT. I missed it, but the word is out, or the word out is 80% of them may be flipping into AMC and GME. Yeah, Chris, a lot of people do say they're going to be coming in. Oh, Petey Pete, thank you for the super chat, Petey Pete. Petey Pete says, I like your style. Petey Pete, I like your style, dude. I like your style, for real. Like, you wonder where I get my style? I get it from Petey Pete. I follow this dude on the regular. If you want style like me, all you got to do is follow Petey Pete. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. I appreciate the support. You guys are absolutely amazing. And Petey Pete, dude, it is for real, man. I like your style. I do. Is it at 95% utilization? The short interest usually goes crazy. Johan, I don't know if there's going to be a correlation between higher utilization and short interest going crazy, right? When the higher the utilization is, that means there's less shares available for them to borrow. So higher utilization would mean higher borrow rate, not necessarily higher short interest. So the borrow rate should go up as utilization goes up. How long do you think the squeeze is going to take? I've been holding for 4 months. Keep buying what I can. Hilbert, man, you're doing okay, though. I don't think that we're right around the corner from the squeeze yet. I still think that a lot of things need to fall into place, but absolutely, man, I think that we're doing it. And thank you once again, man. I love the orange super chats. Thank you very much, Petey Pete. You're awesome. My eyes are gold and green. Wife calls them funky eyes. Redline Sean, dude, gold sounds sick, man. I like that. I like that a lot. Puka, yeah, John. If she didn't say that she had green and brown eyes too, I'd be like, this girl's calling my eyes poo colored right now. But she said she's got them too, so I guess it's okay. Like if she's calling her eyes poo colored and I got the same ones, it happens, man. Clay, are you formally educated in finance or did you teach it all to yourself? Is it now your day job? You're clearly very knowledgeable, dude. Well done. Ross, thank you very much, man. I will tell you that, dude. Listen. I don't want to get into my background too much, right? I just don't want to do it strictly because I don't want to have that persona. Like I am some formally educated guy who's been around the stock market and worked in the stock market and kind of knows what I'm talking about. Let's just simply keep it, since we're on YouTube and everybody has some sort of a problem with actual people, let's just keep it as entertainment, okay? But I'm very comfortable talking about this subject. I mean, I just don't want to talk about my background, man, because I'm very comfortable talking about the subject. But yes, at this point, I am not, like, I don't have a day job or anything, so I don't know, interpret that with what you will, and just know that I don't want to hold myself out to be some sort of a guy that knows everything and then people rely on it. Johan, thank you very much for the super chat, Johan, I love it, man. Yellow super chat. What's the difference between borrow rate and short interest? Good question, Johan. So short interest would be the percentage of short shares versus the shares outstanding, or in some cases free float, right? So the short interest is roughly around 20% right now. I forget the exact number that Nick just showed us there. That 88 million divided by the 513 million would be the short interest. That's going to give you that percentage. The borrow rate is how much the short positions are charged. It's an annual rate when you look at it. So the borrow rate is how much they have to pay. They pay it daily. It's their interest fee for borrowing that share. Just like if you were going to go take out a loan from the bank right now, and the bank charges you interest on that loan. When you borrow the shares of AMC, or any stock for that matter, they charge you interest to borrow those shares. And I believe earlier today it was around 5%, and now apparently it's back down to around 1% to borrow those shares. That's an annualized interest rate paid daily. So the two differences: borrow rate is the interest rate that they charge you on the loan, and the short interest is short shares outstanding divided by the shares outstanding. So it's the short shares outstanding divided by shares outstanding. If you actually listen to Matt Kors, a distraction argument, it makes sense. It probably does. Listen, Matt Kors is a very smart dude too, okay? I don't agree with I probably agree with like 90% of the stuff Matt Kors says. Not 100% of it. He's got a slightly different style than I do, and he's got a slightly different approach to things than I do. But dude, you're just different people, right? I still think that he's got some great knowledge, very I mean, he's got a different personality than I do, clearly, but I still think he's a very smart guy. Oil tips, I agree with you, but you could be right and go about it in a way that makes you seem like a jerk, and when you lose an argument, Yeah. I mean, he's definitely got a different personality than I do. I still think he's a very smart kid, and well, he's still a kid, kind of. It's like what, 26? He's still kind of young. He's got a way to go. I got a few years on him, but I think he's doing very well for himself. With 17% of the start of the week, the short interest, 17.37. Thanks, Nick F. Thank you. Yeah, so if the short interest is around 17, 18%, that's the percentage gain that you got there with the 88 million roughly estimated short shares divided by the 513 million shares that are outstanding. AMC estimated short interest increased by 3.2% pre-market with a net 3.4 million borrowed. Estimated short interest 17.50% of free float utilization, continuing to increase, now 93%. Very nice. Rudy, thank you for the update on that. Clay, pretty cheeky for a 32-year-old little muppet. I know, man. Cheeky little hairy little mongoose muppet. Dude, I don't know about the UK, dude. I don't know about the UK. Calling me a cheeky little muppet mongoose, man. Hairy little mongoose and a cheeky little muppet. Dude, the sad thing is, I take those as compliments. When somebody calls you a hairy little mongoose, it's like, dude, mongoose is... Mongi? What's mongoose plural? Mongeese? Mongeese are... Those are pretty tough animals, man. That's my hairy little mongoose. I like it. Got that bad boy thing going on. And somebody calls you a cheeky little muppet. You kind of don't know how to, you don't really know how to react to that one. But it's like, all right, the Muppets are cool, and I'm a cheeky little muppet. I like it. So I take them as compliments. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate that. How do you think about Kenny Grace? Seems like a community really doing well with options. I don't watch too many of his live streams, right? I don't watch too many of his live streams. I have sat through, I don't know, maybe a total of an hour of his live streams. I don't know. Yeah, man. Everybody's got a slightly different approach to everything. But, like, if I'm going to sit in somebody's live stream, I'll either jump in some of the little guys, see what they're doing, and especially some of the newer ones that I see popping up. One of the guys that I saw today, I didn't really like his live stream because he was basically focusing on day trading AMC and not paying attention to AMC YouTubers and AMC Redditors, but day trading AMC. So I didn't really chat in there too much. I didn't enjoy that one. And then Kenny Grace, I did watch Kenny Grace for like 10 minutes today. And then Matt Kors. I watched Matt Kors before I went on my stream today. Because I also don't think that it's okay to just like come do my live stream and then chill. You got to go click the like button on other people's streams, see what's going on, see how people are acting in that community, acting in this stream, acting in that chat, and so on. It's good to see what's going on out there. Kyle, man, thank you for the super chat. Kyle says, Matt Kors is smart, but he got a weird personality. Well, Kyle, yeah, and some people's personalities flow a little bit different, but I want to say thank you very much for the super chat. Mahalo, brother, for the super chat. I appreciate it. Aloha to you. Hopefully you don't have very much work left today. And, yeah, man, other people, and listen, I know Keenan, he keeps his energy up very high, especially in his videos. So he's up there. I don't think the train's been live streaming as much lately. And it's very cool that there's a lot of different personalities floating around out there. And hey, I can't help it that, like, we have the best personality of all of them. Like, this chat is by far just the golden chat of all of YouTube. But people flock to the personality they like. And if somebody's going to say that, well, Matt's got a boring personality, he's got a lot of viewers, though, too. So he's definitely doing something that people like. Hey, Clem, my brother, how many contracts expire at $40? Ferrari Boy. If anybody's got that number to help Ferrari Boy out there, I do not know how many contracts are expiring in the money right now. At $40. So if anybody's got that, let him know, please. Can you shout out my wife, Rachel, please? Josh! Rachel, absolutely. Josh and Rachel, what's going on? Glad to have you both in here, and hopefully you're having a good day. I kind of like Kurt's personality. He's kind of a... I appreciate that. Oil tipped. I know you probably would. Let's see. Click the like on this video, help the algorithm. Nikki89. Yeah, guys, do it. The like button for some reason really does help the algorithm. So do click it if you haven't clicked it already. Someone called me a cheeky little muppet. I would instinctively pull out my... oh my god. Antics! I can't even read it, man. I love the fact that you show your support for other apes as well. YouTube it, even if they are different and do other things. Ape is a name. Riptide Redemption, absolutely, man. And you don't have to sit there all day, like you say, man. If they got a personality, you don't really... No, not clash. That's the opposite. Whatever the opposite of clash is. Click with. If they got a personality you don't necessarily click with, still, man, go in, see what they got to say, hang out for a minute, click the like button, help them out on YouTube, and then move on to somebody you do want to hang out with. Was Mac big before all this blew up? No, not really. Pringleton. 67,000, 68,000. Very good, guys. 68, 67, 68,000 options expiring in the money at $40 per share. Very nice. Stonko Tracker. Safe Moon going up. Safe Moon. I haven't heard about Safe Moon in a while. Clay, how have you found and handled the increased interest and therefore pressure? You seem pretty chill with it, with stress behind. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now. Behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, it's all the same, dude. It's all the same. I would say maybe the only difference is I'm slightly calmer behind the scenes because I'm not sitting here talking to anybody. So, like, I really enjoy hanging out with all of you guys, talking with all of you guys, and it kind of, like, I don't know, kind of energizes me a little bit to hang out and have fun with you. So it's, like, behind the scenes. But no, dude, there's, like, no difference or any pressure behind the scenes or anything like that, man, because I absolutely enjoy this so much. All the 40 call will finish in the money. Yes, they will, Claude. Yes, they will. We're going to finish in the green today with 15 minutes left. I say we're staying in the green today. Josh, thank you very much. And shout out to you, man. I did not know that you were in the UK, that you were in Britain right now. Shout out to you and your wife. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful evening together. And thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. But, we got 67,000 in the money, but we got 226,000 out of the money. That's the bad part, where everybody's going to be expiring worthless on all 226,000 of those. So, oil tip, that number is also very important too. Thank you for posting that one. Got to make sure we close in the money. Finger on the button. Let's do it, Boots. Let's do it. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much, Josh. I appreciate that, man. Friday closing green. That's what's up, Mr. Diamond Hands. Let's get it. Clay, real talk. I know you don't want to talk about your background, but seriously, dude, that wall behind you was like the first thing I noticed when I found you, and it's dope AF. The background, dude, let's talk about this background for a second. I put this wall up by myself. Nailed that bad boy in, and I'm glad that I bought it before lumber prices went crazy. Because, yeah, dude, this wall, like, you're worried about the money being in the banana stand? Dude, this house, the money is in this wall right here. Solid wood wall. You might as well be solid gold these days with this solid wood wall. Oh, yeah. Back on to buy 10 shares to put pressure on the shorts. Nice, Claude. Go do it, man. Put pressure on the shorts so we close in the green today. Stop buying options, killing the squeeze. You know what? I don't think that options is killing the squeeze, but I do think that it doesn't have any positive effect on the squeeze unless they expire in the money or unless you exercise those options and you grab those shares. Shares are the way to go if you want to put pressure on the shorts and you want the squeeze to happen. If you need to day trade AMC for some reason, do that with options. But if you want to contribute to the squeeze, you buy shares in that case. However, only 25,000 puts in the money and 127,000 out of the money. Man, I love it. Oil tipped. Very good, dude. Very good. You hit me with the optimistic number. You hit me with the pessimistic number. Then you hit me with a mixture of both. I like it. Kyle, mahalo, brother. Thank you very much for the super chat. True. That's why I'm on this. That's why I'm on this stream. Everyone here is the best personality. I'm telling you what, guys. I don't understand why. I don't understand why we've attracted the best personalities out of anybody that hangs out in these AMC YouTuber live streams, right? No joke. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I don't know what attracts that. I truly don't. But you guys, by far, are the best. I would put this chat up against any other chat out there. I mean, I think we should do it one day. Have like a chat battle or something. But you guys, by far, are absolutely incredible. And I love it, Kyle. I love it. You guys just kill me every day. I will buy AMC options every day. Hey, and absolutely, man, absolutely. And you know the difference, too, between taking advantage of the short-term gains and being able to get in and out of those options and going out and holding the stocks. I'm cool with you doing it because I know you have shares that you hold as well. Plot twist. He's trapped in a basement of a ship owned by Nickelback, and that's why he says their music is good, because his whole channel is Secret Nickelback Pump Show. Dude, the light is slowly being shown on me. It's slowly unveiling what is actually happening here. This is not a real wall. This is the ship flap is actually the side of an actual ship. And if you guys see me going like this every once in a while, it's because the waves are moving me back and forth. Sam is on to something that I thought nobody would get on. The bread is super attractive. Oh, for steal, yeah. Anytime you can make money is definitely good. If Claybro was to stream at night with all the different nicks in here, we can call Claybro stream and nick at night. Yes, we could, and we probably should. We should probably do some sort of a late night stream one time. And by late night, I mean like 10 p.m. Because, dude, you gotta go to bed at like 10:30. So you're gonna do like a 10 p.m. stream, a late night, nick at night kind of stream. I like it. Sam Blow, do ships have basements? Yeah, dude, ships have basements, man. You know, you gotta go under the deck, and then you get to the basement. Let's play this weekend, Clay, bro. Nufo! I don't really know what the plan is this weekend, man. Oh, I am gonna go, I'm gonna hang out with Nick F this weekend. That's what I'm gonna do. Shiplap the hotness now. Do it! That's what we gotta do. People try not to get stuck holding the bag. Yeah. Supreme, the show is over. That's why. Supreme, the show's over. I come here to hear about bacon grease, chipmunks, and crickets. I also hate Clay's positive vibes in his hair. Yeah, Pete. It's true, man. It's true. I don't understand why people don't like the positive vibes. They like more of a negative vibe. And the hair, dude, I don't understand the hair either. But I probably will cut my hair this weekend. It's very long. I gotta cut my hair this weekend. You'll be at Danger's. Yeah, but hanging out with you, man. Danger's gonna be too busy for me. Danger's probably listening right now, like, shh. Should I hook Danger up with a shirt this weekend? Should I do that? What do you think, Nick F? Should I hook Danger up with a shirt? I live in Claybro's ship's boiler room. Antics! That's why you're always so hot, isn't it? Yeah. Could you explain what a Forex is? Ross, Forex is foreign exchange, man. So if you're gonna go out and you want to trade foreign exchange, that's all it is. So there's a lot of different currency pairs that you can trade, and it depends on who your broker is. But you can do a lot of trading with Forex, and they're typically very leveraged. So you go up very fast, you go down very fast. I used to keep a 20 stock portfolio, +1 to trade with. AMC was a trade. Now it's my 21st until the squeeze. I still play with others to feed my portfolio. No shame in that. Absolutely, Riptide Redemption. No shame in that. Forex is trading currencies. Yes, it is. Rudy, you know about it. Support Claybro. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Get a haircut. I'm out. Mr. Diamond Hands. I'm not going to get a haircut, dude. I'm going to cut my own hair. Come on. I told him you won't be able to see him unless he has an orb shirt on. Well, then we got to get him an orb shirt, don't we? People taking their profits from Sprt. Hopefully, we see AMC pop a little in the last few minutes here. That would be beautiful, but we are green right now. With 9 minutes left to go, we are green on the day. I thought 4X was a really big size. Sam Blow, it is also a really big size, yes. And it's also when you 4X your portfolio, you increase your portfolio value by 4 times. Or it could be foreign exchange. Get a better simulator. Peace. Whatever the simulator is. Clay doesn't have a 4X. It would be too custom. It would have to be custom ordered. That is correct. The biggest I got is a 2X right now. Got to get a custom order for sure. Can you explain what for skin? That is the skin that comes on the forehead, Mr. Enormous. That is the skin on your forehead. Would be what that is. 232 and only 127 likes. Smash that like button. Redline Sean. Thank you very much. Guys, smash the like button. Do just like Redline Sean said. As a Navy vet, if you guys have any other ship questions, feel free to ask. I will happily make up an answer. Sam, thank you very much for making up an answer. Which part of the ship that goes in the water? The bottom part of the ship. Claybro is also a financial advisor and works at Citadel offices. Wouldn't that be something, man? If I was a financial advisor for Citadel? Oh, yeah. We got a nice little candle coming on here. Let's check this out now. We got a nice little candle up at $40.70 right now. We might even close above 41, guys. Oh, yes, that is looking beautiful. Here comes the pop. Here comes the pop, guys. We got to run into the green. Lauren must have either seen some serious bushing or heavy comb, whatever that means. Oh, Lauren, there we go. I cricked my neck brushing my hair today. I'm walking around like a robot. Nightmare. Ouch. Well, Lauren, why would you brush your hair so hard? Come on now. Don't do that. Does anyone know here what the tax that would be in the UK on a Mother of all Short Squeeze earnings? Ross, I do not. I do not live in the UK, my man. Clay, keep your hair big until AMC share price matches it. Leah, that actually sounds like a really good idea. I gotta do something with the sides. I gotta do something with the sides though. Look at those candles. Oh yes, Johan, they are beautiful. We're gonna close them up 41. I know we are. 4101 close. Let's get it, Nikki. Here comes Sprt profits into AMC. Man, I sure hope that's what it is, Bastille. Okay, new calculation. 1,000, 10 shares at 1,000 a share equals $1,010,000. Very nice, Claude. Very nice. That's a difficult calculation to make over 40 game on Monday. Junior, I don't know if it's going to cause a game of squeeze on Monday, man. I would love it to, but I don't know if it is. I would have rather seen it close above 50. Chris, thank you for the super chat, Chris. Chris says, Chris Dean, the AMC fiend here, apes the the Astrospace first satellite launch in 8 minutes live on NASDAQ Jumbotron Times Square is at 1 p.m. Apes take Hedgie's steak. Apes take Hedgie's steak. Yes, they do. Guys, if you want to watch that, watch it on your TV while you're also watching me on your phone/computer. So yes, Chris Dean, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And Chris Dean, the AMC fiend, is here. Apes in the Astrospace first satellite launch in 8 minutes, happening at 1 p.m. So you must live in California because it would be 4 p.m. here. My chart is showing a W. We're showing a win on the day, man. Third green week in a row. Come on, Apes. Oh, yes. 5 minutes to close green. And we are going to make it, Nick F. We are going to make it. Everyone takes support profits and dump them into GME and AMC. Monday is going to be fun. Orange Folius. Yes, it will. Power 5 minutes, baby. Let's get it. I would buy more AMC, but I'm broke. Sergeant Baloney. It is all right. You don't need to buy more. All you got to do is hold more. $40.80 right now, 20 cents away from a $41 mark, and we were worried about closing over $40 a minute ago. I love it. 41.06, here we come. Puts on SPRT. Oil tip. Did you just open puts on SPRT right now, or what? Oh my gosh, Brett! Oh my gosh, Brett! Thank you for the super chat. Brett says, if me, Sam, and Oil Tip can lose money on SPRT, I can lose a little more on a super chat. Thank you very much. And you're not losing that money on a super chat, Brett. Come on now. You're gaining on. Listen, that's going to be a gain on that for you, man, because it's supporting everybody that's here. So thank you very much, Brett. I appreciate that. Caesar says, just wondering, Clay, how old do you think your general audience is? I can tell you how old my general audience is. They're in the 25 to 35 year range, okay? And that's based on YouTube analytics. But I believe the majority of us that sit here in the live streams are roughly, I would say, like lower 30s to 45 in the live stream. I would say in that range is the majority of the people that hang out on the live stream. Overall video audience is in the 25 to 35 year range. Sam Blow, amen to that, my dude. He says, absolutely. We can lose on SPRT. We can lose a little more on a super chat, but you're not losing. You're gaining on the super chat. Thank you very much, Sam. I appreciate that. You guys are absolutely amazing. 33, 41, 44, 69, 39, 40, 40, 27, 17. Are you 17 really, Olivia? Nice. 37, 30, 17. If you're hanging out here in 17, you're going to be doing very good. You got a bright future ahead of you. 37, 39, 38, 2, doubt that. 48, 32, 34, 69, 51, 12, 32. You're not 12, dude. Come on now. 48, how old are you, Clay? I'm 32, Nikki. I'm 32. 51, 21. Yeah, see, I was right. The majority of us are in like 30s to 45 that hang out in here. 117 years young. Mr. Normus, no, you are not. Caesar says, just turned 20. Very nice, Caesar. And listen, if you did just turn 20, dude, I think you're in a very good place right now. Oil Tip says, and thank you very much. If I didn't say thank you very much for the super chat, I appreciate that so much, man. The support is amazing from you guys. 20, 33, 420, dot that, 44, 33, 38, 49. I'm as old as I'm needed to be. The BA's Jesus piece. Yes, that's a good age. Shout out to the 12-year-old that don't have much hobbies. They have better hobbies than I did at 12. Yeah, all the 12-year-olds that are in the chat right now enjoying it. Oh my gosh. Christine, the AMC fiend, man. Chicken tender dinner on me tonight. Zillow rents application received for Kenneth Griffin. Thank you very much, Christine. I appreciate the super chat. You are absolutely amazing, man. And I'll tell you what, dude. I'll tell you what. I had fried chicken tenders for lunch. I made them up. I had them with rice. I will also eat chicken tenders again for dinner tonight. On you, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely amazing. Guys, That satellite launch is in 2 minutes. Chris wants you to know about the satellite launch. I say go watch it. Pull it up on your other computer screen. Pull it up on another channel. Do whatever you got to do, but Chris wants you to watch that satellite launch in 2 minutes, so make sure you watch it happen live from the what? The screen on the NASDAQ? What are you saying here? Where we got it? How can we see this screen? I got to scroll back up here. Yeah, the NASDAQ Jumbotron in Times Square, 1 p.m. Pacific time. That is in 1 minute from now. Thank you very much, Dean. You're absolutely amazing, man. Oh, my gosh. Making gains on BIG for AMC. Pete. I love it. You guys are destroying it. Let's go, Luca. Let's go. Lauren, do you like older guys? Lennon Simon wants to know. Sushi up. Sushi up. We're going to sushi it up then, man. Let's sushi it up. Clever, I really am 12 years old in 7th grade, and who was a typo? If you really are 12 years old in 7th grade, that is very amazing that you are in here, man. I hope that you have a lot of fun in here. You learn a lot of stuff that can really help you out in the future, and don't forget what you've got going on in here, man, because you could probably learn more here than you will at school. Wait, you guys actually make money? Sam Blow. A lot of people aren't day trading, dude. A lot of people are just making a little profit here and there. Sam's like, wait a second. You guys actually make money? I thought we were all here losing money. Close. We got the close on AMC. We closed at $40.76 per share today. Very nice, guys. Green in the close. Green Friday. Absolutely amazing. What a very nice day. 40.65. I got 40.76 on my thing right here. It could probably settle here over the next couple of minutes, though. Victory sounds delicious. Absolutely. 11 on the time says, Lord, do you like younger guys? Do you like older guys? Do you like younger guys? We need to know so Simon can tell you his age. Good job, Apes. I love it, guys. We threw it. We really threw this thing hard into the close right now. We had a nice 5-10 minutes, and we ran it. Very good day. Ooga booga. Oh, yes, Argos Reed. Let's go. Bought myself another 6-month reminder not to day trade. It's part of my cycle. Make money on longs, get cocky, day trade, lose money in a matter of minutes, slowly forget over the next 6 months. Good deal, dude. Good deal. As long as you bought yourself another 6-month reminder, you're going to be doing good, making some money there, so you can just forget about that and start the day trade, lose it again, make it back up. And, yeah, who needs conservative long-term investments that simply rise and make money when you can day trade and lose money and make money at the same time? It's all the way to go. At least we stood at the 40s this week. We did, and we did not go back down into the 30s. That's what's important, guys. This is money. I thought you just shouted at the lines and try. Yes, exactly, man. We have to shout at the lines and make sure they go up or down. Clay, is that a doji on AMC daily chart? What does that mean? John Jesus, let's check out the daily chart. It may be close. It's not going to be an exact doji because we opened it. Actually, I don't know what we opened at today. I know we closed yesterday at the 40.31. Let's see what we got on the daily chart. Dude, this is not necessarily. Let's just clear that up. This is not necessarily a doji, man, because it's a little bit too thick of a candle. If this would have been flat, it would have been a doji, but we closed higher, so it's not necessarily a doji. If it did, basically this here means, man, that the Bulls and the Bears were fighting it out today, and if it was a doji, it could mean, right, that we're turning from this trend, this downward trend, and we're going to bounce to the upside now. So that's what it could mean, but it's not technically a doji because it's a little bit thicker of a candle. Clay, how's your support level on AMC? PDP, man, 40 held up very well today. That's exactly what I wanted to see. If we busted, if we fell through 40, my support level is at $38 per share. We did not fall through 40. It held up. So I'm hoping for a decent bounce off that 40 level, and we follow through with these gains into Monday. That'll be very nice. I woke up. Okay, I don't know what's going on right now. Stop messaging me. I was with my girlfriend 2 months ago in anticipation of the embarrassment of telling her about this. It's all right, dude. It's all right. Safe Moon wallet tomorrow. Okay, Jeffrey going for Safe Moon. My girl cheated on me with some other girl. Banana Man. That's very interesting. Not as bad as a dude. Might not be, but that's still a little interesting. That's some serious foresight, my dude. You must have had some legendary. Oh my gosh, you guys are just ridiculous. Banana Man can't compete with another chick. It's difficult, isn't it? Yeah, Rudy, I don't know what's going on with the. I think somebody must have group messaged me or something. Does anyone have the options closed? How many in the money? Well, it would have been 67,000, right? If we were closing 67,000 above $40, we didn't close above $41. So it sounds like 67,000 options closed in the money today, right? $40 options finally hit. Oh, yes. Clay, true story. I support my legs because they support me. Very good, Crypto Rocketeer, and that is definitely a true story, man. Your legs support you, so you got to support them back. I just saw Catch Up on the screen. Yes, you did, Nikki89. Anytime the camera goes out, I have no idea why the like the loading screen or whatever for this webcam is a little cat, but it is. So anytime the camera cuts out, you're going to see that little cat wagging his tail back and forth. I don't know why. Banana Man, I just want you to know that there's no way this lame other guy has been nearly as much potassium as you do, my guy. Love you. Absolutely. Absolutely. You were the Banana Man. Nobody's got the kind of potassium that Banana Man has. What a week. Cognitive. It was a beautiful week, wasn't it? Now on to crypto for the weekend. Yes, Nikki89. People shift their focus from stocks to crypto over the weekend. Why? Because crypto never sleeps. Crypto trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Penis says Clay has a 12-inch sub. No, dude, I've not been to Subway in quite some time, so I do not have a 12-inch sub today. Maybe it's sometime in the near future, though, if I'm feeling Subway. Stick the launch on there. Stick the launch on there. I might have missed that one, Pringleton. What about the launch? It's going on. Cowboys Super Bowl champs 2022. Anthony's calling it right now. Love the chart trend. Perfect bull flag. Kyle. What do you mean? On this afternoon or the daily chart or what? It was a girl, but thanks, Sam. Yeah, she doesn't have the same kind of potassium that you do, Banana Man. I'm heading out. Everyone will be on vacation next week. And oh no, JB's gonna be on vacation. I probably won't be in the live stream, so I hope you all have an amazing week. JB, man, enjoy your week as well. If you can stop by, just let us know, man. For everybody that's wanting to go on vacation right now, that you're having a good time and vacations still exist. So let us know if you can stop by. If you can't, man, thank you for hanging out all the time with us. We'll definitely see you in a week and a half then, right? Girthy 6-inch sub is better than a 12-inch sub any day, Nikki. Any day. You guys are beautiful people, man. Somebody agrees with Brett Banana Man when she told you to stop calling her your banana hammock. You should have listened. Oh, no. AMC Trapper, bro, already replaced Chip Bro. No, Creek Bro did not replace Chip Bro. The cat won't replace Chip Bro. Never, AMC Trapper. Nobody's going to replace Chip Bro. Nobody. Let on the sign. I saw your message. What are the odds? I do not know what message we're talking about. Subway has the Tinder bio kind of measurements like those subs are 10-inch tops. Yeah, dude, those subs are 10-inch tops. I think they measure from the bottom bun, and they should be measuring from the top bun because the bottom bun's more like a foot long, the top bun's more like a 10-inch. So I think they got something going on there. Some of your videos, the lava in your lamp does not move. Anthony, that's happened in like 1 or 2 videos because I go to do the video, and then if it's on the weekend, right? If it's during the weekday, the lava lamp is on all day. If it's on the weekend, and I forget to turn it on in the morning, by the time I go to click it, I might click it right before the video and it's still lit up, but the wax isn't hot enough to actually move. So I'm surprised you noticed that. 12-inch message looks like a malware from some site. Yes, it does, man. I think Clay's sub curves to the moon. I think Clay's sub curves to the moon. Interesting. Just like AMC's chart. You guys are crazy, man. I have one more property to mow. If I die of a heat stroke, who wants my AMC shares? Guys, this accept his shares right now because this is like his dying wish. It's a dying declaration. This could be held up. It could be held up. And we've got plenty of witnesses here. I'm sure somebody in the chat is a notary. And yes, if anybody wants his shares when he dies of a heat stroke because he's mowing properties today or landscaping in some sort, then yeah, there you go. Claim his shares now. I don't know how many it is, but hey, you could still work out for you. Wax, I thought it was lava. It is lava, man. I just said wax for all the people who get scared by lava. Somebody needs to put their subs next to a Sky remote for comparison. You guys are crazy, Pringleton. What a disaster classic pump and dump on Sprt. Some people made some money, though, man. How many people called me for an idiot calling SPRP a pump and dump? Yeah, but they still made some decent money in the... And look, oil tipped as a notary. He will stamp it. So somebody claim those shares right now. I'll take it. Freitas is calling the shares right now. He's taking it, man. Chris, hopefully you don't die, but it looks like Freitas is taking the claim, man. Taxidermy, anyone? No, I do not know. I actually don't know any taxidermists in my life. I'll take the shares. I hope it's extra hot outside. No, you do not, Mick Slipwell. We want Chris to come back into the live streams on Monday, man. We don't hope that it's too hot for him. Well, can stamp it. There you go. I lost dollars, but I'm up again. Lost 100. Oh, well, Jennifer. It is all right. We move on, and we can trade again another day. Glad to have you in here, Jennifer. I know why you're coming in now after 4 o'clock when somebody else's stream probably ended. We understand where you like to hang out, but it's all right, Jennifer. Jonah Jesus, that would be funny. Darn it, I missed what Jonah Jesus said, Lauren. I'm sorry. You're right. You're right, man. Not oil tipped. You need ink. You need ink tipped for that. Notarizing, not oil tipped. You need ink tipped. Thoughts on AMC today? Yeah, beautiful day, closing in the green. I was very hopeful all day that we would do it, and we did it. So I'm very happy about that. Roughly 67,000 options expiring in the money. That's good. I saw you. And I said hi. I do both. I know you do, Jennifer. Thank you very much. I have you both on stream at the same time. No way! How's that possible? How's that possible, Jennifer? She can't choose. Now she can't choose. She's like, all right, I get the best of both worlds, right? She's pulling a Miley Cyrus, Hannah Montana type deal there. I'm late. Yes, man, you were late. We've been here for over an hour already. Should we hold till Monday? Mike. Financial advice, man. You should, if you're holding AMC currently, you might want to hold it till Monday, especially if your broker doesn't allow you to sell during after hours. You don't have me on a second stream, Jennifer? Come on! We got to have oil tipped on a second stream as well. You can only kick the can for so long, and then they finally lose. Shout out from Alaska. 1111, Mr. Simon. We don't know where you're at right now. You're like that Carlo, where in the world is Carmen Sandiego character. We have no idea where you're at. SPRD is good if you get in cheap. And, yeah, so if you got in, like, earlier today, it might be bad. I'm sorry. That was so lame. I did not even see what Sam said, darn it. I didn't even see what Sam said, but it was not late. I'm not mad at Jennifer. I'm just disappointed by your time. No, it is all right. It is all right. 41 after hours. Lauren should hold until Monday. Hold me till Monday. That's what I saw. That's the one I missed right there. Lauren, there you go. Lauren, have you hung out with your friend yet today? I need to know. Have you seen your friend yet today, Lauren? I need to know. I've been dying all day. I decided I was going to be good and not drink today. Very good. Then 15 minutes before the shop closed, I jumped into the Lambo and spun off to the shop. What? What shop? And you jumped in a Lamborghini and ran off to the shop? For what? What are you going to the shop for? Like a mechanic shop? Taking your Lamborghini to the mechanic shop. Green Friday is a nice smile on Monday, Clay. Mange, mange. Yes, it is. Monday is going to be a good day. I just started my cocktails. Whatever that, like shrimp cocktails? You're making shrimp cocktails for this evening? Lauren can't even see giant bins, let alone her friends. Yeah, Lauren does have quite a problem walking in the dark, but it is all right, man. I suggest a flashlight. But, I don't know. Maybe her friends maybe her friends help her out. I don't know. Gotta bro. See you next time. He's gotta bro. See you next time. Redline Sean, man. Thank you for hanging out with us. And if you gotta go, you gotta go. Make sure to come back next time for sure. We will definitely be here. Jennifer, oh, those kind of cocktails. Gotcha. Damanji Mangi Magnus is here. Yes, he is. Banana Man, that's a trick, though. If she falls into a bin, just hide your heart and she'll fall in love. That's all you gotta do, man. That's all you gotta do. She'll fall right into love with you. I like it, Brett. Darn, the lameness is contagious. No, man, I liked it. All you gotta do is hide my heart. She's gonna fall right in love. No, I've not seen her yet. I need a day to find. She's free for me to pop over. All right, Lauren. She's probably free right now. And if not, just say, hey, leave the key. It's your house. I want to do more for a minute. Oh, after pre-records for AMC hitting 100,000 per share, smoke a blunt with THC in it. How is there a difference? Would you do it for the apes? Dude, if you're asking, listen. I do not condone that sort of activity in any such manner. But if it was up to me, dude, I'm pretty sure anybody would do that with $100,000. Am I able to sell, like, it's just like a hit? Or how do you do it? I don't know what you guys call it, what the cool kids are calling it these days. But, dude, for the amount of money that you're talking about, come on. I might, yes. But I do not condone that activity. Can't concentrate at work, too funny, on AirPods, and totally not paying attention. Gots to go. Have a nice weekend, all. Caesar! Man, we should not be so funny. We should be a little bit more calm. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Aussie Player 100, thank you very much for the super chat. Aussie Player says, hey, from Germany, from an Australian. Hold. Dude, so this is, my mind's being blown right now. We got an Australian living in Germany, hanging out with us in the United States. Amazing. Hold, baby. H-O-L-D. Yes, Aussie Player 100. That is the plan. That is exactly what we were doing. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And an Australian living in Germany talking with Americans. Very good, dude. Very good. I like it. Lauren will be the maid of honor. Okay, you guys will all be invited to the wedding. Well, Lauren will be the maid of honor. I don't even know what the wedding is going to be, but if we're invited, I like it, man. Thank you for inviting me to the wedding that Lauren is the maid of honor at. When AMC rips, it'll be 10 times the volatility of what you saw with Sprt. Yeah, I would agree with that, man. And it's probably going to rip even higher than Sprt did, even faster. We're international here. We are, man. We've got some of the most diverse people in this chat, and that probably adds to it. I didn't do what Matthew said. Lauren, been better, but helps seeing you and family. Yes, it always helps seeing Lauren, doesn't it? Exactly, Simon, exactly. I just liquidated all my AMC and invested in butter. Oh no, it's already melting. But, John, we know you did not sell your AMC and buy butter. Come on now, J Beebs. Hello, Clay. Hello, J Beebs. How you doing? A wedding sounds nice. I can cry without buying Sprt at the peak. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Nice and beautiful. We all need to go to a wedding. I promise you, walking in the dark, staring at a bright phone is difficult. I did a great job at not walking into more bins. Yes. Yes. Walking in the dark, I don't recommend walking in the dark staring at a bright phone. I don't recommend it. Lauren did a very good job not running into more than one bin. Very, very good. Very good. Glad you were able to do that. And next time you maybe can walk without hitting any bins. Lauren's flashlight in the chat. Lauren's flashlight in the chat. We got Lauren's flashlight in here somewhere. What? Clay, come back later or just a video? I might hop off the finish. Chris, probably just a video tonight, man. I doubt that I live stream again today. We'll just probably keep it at the 2 live streams today and then a little bit later. Clay, confirmation. He's Magnus. Magnus! Is that easy? Is that how you say it? Rudy knows what's up. I missed what Rudy had to say. Darn it, Clem, I need you to get ordained so you can not only propose for me on stream, but also officiate the wedding. Sam Blow. 2 steps ahead of you, man. 2 steps ahead of you, Sam. Come on now. Too many synthetics and butter. They say you won't believe it's not butter, but you'll know. What time is Nick at Night Clay Bro live? Newfo, maybe tomorrow night. Maybe Nick and I will go live tomorrow night for the Nick at Night live stream. Gotta go pick up the kid. See you tomorrow. Nick F, no, leaving us for the kid, man. Just leave that kid wherever he's at and hang out with us. I am new. What's going on with HCMC? Wow, Grace. HCMC. I do not like HCMC. I know some people out there might like it. I don't like their business, and I don't like the fact that it's such a cheap penny stock, and if it ever did go to anything, it would probably have a higher market cap than Shiba or SafeMoon going to $1 a coin. So I'm not in and don't necessarily care for HCMC. If you do, I say go for it, but I do not. Man, it's the Swedish ape from Jan. From Jan. Oh, you guys confuse me so much. Okay, cool. I'm gonna hop out. Have a good day, everyone. Chris, enjoy that last yard of the day, man. Don't get overexhausted from the heat. Please, man. Stay cool. Drink some water. And if you need to take a break, take a break. Come on, AMC. I need to quit my job. I've been taking from the rich I've been taking from the rich to take more from the rich. Let's do it, Jesse. Let's take from the rich and take more from the rich. 200 people in here with 170 likes. Come on, apes. We are better than this. Guys, 300 likes. Come on, just click the like button. You're doing good. Why did it jump to 40.84 now? Oh, so I don't know what it settled at earlier, 40.76 or something. So the last tick that we would have had on the chart there, the data feed probably just continued to tick, and you got the actual final settle price as the data continued to settle over the next 15 minutes or so. So I don't know when it finally updated, but what you see exactly at the close could still settle. That number could still be ticking from all of the trades that were coming in and it's not like dead on that the last number you see at the 4 o'clock moment is like the last trade that took place. It takes a minute for the data feed to finally wrap up. SPRT was good training for you apes. Matt Kors tweeted the SPRT shorts covered, so it's time you sell. Need the same mentality with AMC shorts. Yes, so dang, man, all the shorts did cover. Ortex is estimating that all the shorts were covered on SPRT. We all go to the moon soon. Scott, I'm going with you, man. Just an update, Magnus. Just an update, Magnus. I missed it. Nick F. left the kid at the funeral all day by themselves with the course. And now he's got to go pick him up. So he may have done it. All good, brother. All good. Let's see. Say my name. Moshi Moshi. Arigato. Moshi Moshi. Arigato. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. When no one is around you. Say, Clay, bro, I love you. If you ain't running game. Say my name. Say my name. Yeah, classic. That was for free. More later. There are brokers that allow you to trade after hours too. So the price will change. Livy, yeah. But this price right here is, oh no, crap, that's gonna open up. This price right here is the close price that he was talking about changing. So it's 40.90 right now after hours, but the actual close is what ended up changing. If I lag out, I accidentally clicked on Warcraft, so if it starts running and lags me out, I'm sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to click on that icon down there. If you don't exit when the shorts cover, you're trading amongst retail, and that's dangerous. Please explain to your viewers, Clay. Yeah, man, if you were in SPRT for a short squeeze play and the information is out there that the shorts have covered, then at that point you are taking place in a pump and dump scheme. But if you were trading a short squeeze play in SPRT and the shorts have covered, move forward accordingly. I don't know the numbers on SPRT, though. Clay, trigger 2 DMs to see if you can guess when I got some SPRT. Let's see. SPRT. What we can get on there. I don't think Nick F leaves an extra 5 minutes to say his goodbyes like Lauren does. Lauren, if you actually talk to Nick F on the phone, he doesn't even say goodbye. So I'm very surprised that he actually says goodbye when he's in here. Otherwise, he would just leave. So I'm surprised that he gives us any warning that he's leaving. He definitely does not leave it at 5 minutes like you do. SPRT puts printed, nice, oil tipped. I used to work in the mall. Retail is a beast. I am more familiar with. More than familiar with. Well, dude, retail is a beast, man. And the fact that you worked in the mall, you're ready to go for retail trading. Can you check if shorts covered on SPRT? I don't have Ortex data, Mike. And if somebody else does, then you want to look at SPRT and let us know. It seems like Matt Kors from Super Steven here was telling us that Matt Kors was saying that the Ortex was saying that the shorts were covered. I don't know if that's true or not, but hey, they're saying it did. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. Well, Mr. Blow, nothing terrible about that. I guess it'll be all right, man. It's rough. Matt blocked me from his Twitter. No, why would he do that? 9 hours ago, Course Tweet SPRT had only $5 million on loan and only 0.25 days to cover. If AMC ever does that, I'm selling immediately, and I have a ton of shares. $5 million on loan. Yeah, but AMC's got a lot more shares outstanding than SPRT does, right? SPRT is providing support for apes. That is the purpose. It's not just a clever name. Well, there you go. Shout out to the company in Hayward, California. Chalk Technologies. Shout out to Chalk Technologies right now. Every single regulation has not helped at all. Facts, dude. Facts. Clay, bro, we all friends on this channel. Is everyone welcome here? Even if, yes. Tradbur, absolutely, man. We are all friends on this channel. Whatever you got going on, dude, you can hang out with us. I listened to Matt all day. I did not listen to Matt all day today. I listened to Matt for, I don't know, probably about a half hour today. People in America say goodbye on the phone. They don't in the movies. How rude. Yes, Lauren. I always say goodbye to somebody when I'm on the phone with him. Nick F, on the other hand, I don't know if that dude always says goodbye when he's on the phone. I've noticed. Doesn't always say goodbye on the phone. September 1st, DDCC saying that hedge funds will no longer be allowed to use reverse repo to meet their collateral requirement and watch it do nothing. Yes, exactly. Oil tipped. You're learning, oil tipped. You're learning. I could have got out at 400 profits, but I looked away for 10 minutes. No, Jennifer, no. Dang it, man. That happens. Agree, J Beebs. I missed what J Beebs had to say. Darn it. All I said is something. I missed what he said, man. Sorry. Lauren, most common is later. Oh, yeah. I mean, you can say later or whatever, or catch you later, see you later. But, I mean, as far as, like, just, like, ending the conversation and hanging up the phone. I always not only say goodbye, but oh, no. Dang, you guys are fast. But I love you, which sometimes gets awkward for people. But on the bright side, telemarketers usually don't call me twice. Yes. I love you guys. Goodbye. Love you. Bye. Have a good day. Love you too. Is it going to be even more awkward when they say I love you too, Sam? It might be. Nigga doesn't say goodbye on the phone. He yells, silence! Then dial tone. That's probably exactly what Nick F does. I'm going to have to call him tonight and see if he does that to me. No! I need that URL. You guys deleted it too fast. Oh my gosh. Moshi Moshi is back. Arigato. Yes, Moshi Moshi. The oil tipped from 4 months ago is very different from the oil tip today. Good deal. Learning and moving forward. It was just an opinion, I guess. If it doesn't align with his, he gets very snotty. Maybe, but I didn't see what was going on earlier. Say my name before you go. Moshimoto, man. Moshi Moshi. I'm saying your name right now. Let's see. Clay, mate, I love that you spend time with us after it's closed. Mangy, Manji, Mangi, Magnus. Absolutely, man. 3 to 5. We hang out. I say bye a few times. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, Lauren. It's time to go now. It's time to get off the phone. All right, bye, Lauren. All right, bye, Lauren. I know you want to talk. But it's time to go. You got to go to... Bye, Lauren. All right? Bye. Down to his tonsils. Something about that. I don't know what is going on. Mike, 5 million. The left is not a lot. And that was before the home numbers. 105 million. Okay, something. Maybe. I don't know if those numbers were for SPRT or AMC. But oil tipped. Real question. Are you ever... Yes, that is a real question. We need to know right now. Yeah, SA. Something. I sing bye, bye, bye before I hang up. That's the way to go, Brett. That's the way to go. Maybe I say bye-bye. Some people do say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Me and Jennifer Moffett going to make lots of tendies. Cognitive. That's what I'm talking about, man. I want to see everybody make lots of tendies. There's a lot of hype to sell AMC for SPRT because SPRT was the MOAS, and that is what... yeah. Well, dude, there was none of that here. There was none of that nonsense going on here. I wouldn't recommend selling AMC to jump into anything else. AKA profit. We got the Moffat profit going on. Very nice, guys. NSYNC Backstreet Boys. Backstreet Boys all day. I'm still here. Nikki89. I was wondering if you were still here. Good choice. Okay, sounds great, Cognitive. Yes, it does. We got that Moffat profit, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for letting me in the stream. There's a bully at school who doesn't think I'm smart because I have autism. It's not bad, though, minor. And thank you for welcoming me. Absolutely. And don't worry about any bullies, dude, anywhere. I don't know if you're really a 12-year-old in 7th grade, but trust me when I tell you, man, the 7th graders got a lot of learning left to do. I wouldn't pay any attention to them. I saw Jennifer Mobbin in chat earlier and almost said hi to see if I got a response, but didn't want to make Clay jealous if I did. I'm telling you right now, Brett, I would be jealous. If you said hi to her and she said hi back to you, I would definitely be jealous about that. But 1900 SPR Pliz, what's up, Shill? You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. Don't argue in the chat. What happens first week of September? New to this, but seeing chatter about it. September 1st, they're supposed to increase margin requirements. And nothing's going to happen, but they're supposed to have more money available for margin. And Gary D, thank you for the super chat. Gary D, let's see what he's got to say. Had a coworker who was a day trader say hedgie's covered when it hits $76. He suggested selling if it hits 50 again as the market correction coming. Help. Gary D, man. First of all, your coworker is wrong that they covered when it hit 70. They still clearly have roughly 100 million short shares outstanding. It's in the upper 80s at the point. at this point. And we could find out when they re-report that they're roughly closer to 100 million. So they may, and I don't know how your coworker would know this unless your coworker works for a hedge fund that's shorting AMC. They may have covered their short shares when it went to $77 or in the 70s, right? But then they took new ones out. There was only a net change of roughly 17 million shares at that point. All right, so they covered some of them, but they didn't cover all of them. And right now, we have roughly 90 million short shares outstanding for AMC. So the game is basically the exact same game as it was back in June before we ran up. So the fact that your coworker says they covered, that is incorrect, but suggested selling if it hits 50, okay? I can't tell you, man. I think that it's going to go higher than 50, right? But that's just what I think. If you don't think that it's going to go higher than 50 and you got to get out for some reason, just know that you really may be disappointed if you get out at 50. And I don't know where you got in at. I don't know what your break-even point looks like. I don't know how much money you got invested. If it's too much, I don't know any of that. But I believe that that we have not seen the actual short squeeze yet, and that when we do, and when the shorts do cover, we're going to see a run much beyond 50. Average days on loan is like 50-something. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. I appreciate that. Keep that in mind, guys. Average days on loan 50, so that means that their borrowed shares are somewhere probably from 2 months ago, so in that June range. So they're actually probably doing pretty well on their shorts at this point. Clay, whoever is putting vote about the support should be banned. It's already confirmed that nobody will know until Tuesday because of the 2-day delay. So many Muppets. Well, I don't know if anybody should be banned for expressing their concern about SPRT. But I don't know what the 2-day delay would be. If you're talking like a 2-day delay in shares being covered or what. Look, guys, if you got SPRT, and I didn't even see the graph today. I did see, I mean, at the end of the day, I did see that it ran up. What did it close at? Because I know it was in the 40s when I was watching it earlier today, and it was absolutely ripping. There's a high likelihood that it gaps back down on Monday. Go look at a couple of graphs that really gap up like it did. Now, that's not to say that it can't rip on Monday. But a lot of the time, when you have a chart like you see today, and the bears ended up winning and pushing the stock price down lower than the open today, I can say typically, because more often than not, you will see it gap back down on Monday. If it closed higher than the open today, and it had a good run, and the bulls are still excited about it, then sure, maybe you could see some continued gap up on Monday. But if it ended with a sell-off today, I wouldn't be terribly optimistic about it going into next week. 26-something, but up after market. Gotcha, Jennifer. Thank you. What did it open up at today? Because typically when I see a gap up like that, and it end lower than, I mean, clearly it ended higher than yesterday's close, but when it closes lower than it opened, a lot of times you'll end up with a gap down on Monday. Man, looks like maximum hold, LMM. I don't know if you're talking about me or what we're talking about there, but something maximum hold, good deal. Clay, that's a typical W pattern. Where at, man? What graph we talking about? Clay, can you read my Michael Burry comment for the 12-year-olds, please, man? I don't even know where you're at, Sam, on that comment. Oh, man. I scrolled up. I don't see it. I don't see it, man. Pringleton, we tend to rip Monday and Tuesday to entice ones to buy options, then get pushed down by the end of the week. Pringleton, possibly, man, but I don't know if it's that predictable in price patterns. I really don't. Really don't know if it's that predictable. Open 38, close, would you say 26, roughly? Open 38, close rough around 26. Yeah, see, usually when I see a pattern like that, especially on a gap up, more often than not, it ends in the next day being a gap down, simply because the pressure today ended with more selling pressure than there was buying pressure. So I would, based on what I have usually seen, that ends in the same thing on Monday, selling pressure outweighing buying pressure, but nothing's guaranteed, right? Nothing's guaranteed. What do we got here? SPRT still moving. Very nice. I made many percentages on SPRT calls this week. Cognitive, very good. Hey, Clay, AMC Squeeze like SPRT, but higher. PDP, man, I think that it's going to be a very fast, very violent squeeze, very similar to what you guys saw with SPRT today. Simply because I don't think that people are going to be willing to hold out and not sell their shares and get to this low volume ideal situation like I want to see. I feel like it's just going to be a just influx of people trying to jump on, and all of it's going to add together. And in my opinion, it's going to be very similar to what happened today. Volatile, violent, get in, get out, and move on. So that's what I see based on the type of activity we've seen when AMC does rip up. I hope that nobody sells their shares and it's a very slow squeeze where the shares aren't available to buy. Michael Barrett had autism, and it largely helps him in his trading career. He's one of the most talked about traders for the squeeze play and is arguably one of the GOATs. Don't let the bullies get to you. Yeah, guys, especially if you, I don't know if the kid's actually in 7th grade, 12 years old or whatever. Whether you are 12 years old or you're 30 years old or you're 60 years old, some people are just downright mean. Don't let any bully get to you, even if you are 30 years old, man. If you hang out on Reddit, sure, you're going to run into a lot of bullies. Don't let the bullies get to you, okay? And I know it's a lot easier said than done, but you are 100% right, Sam. You are 100% right. Be confident in who you are. You are you for a reason. And I say move forward, doing the absolute best you can do. I have bad days. You have bad days. Everybody has a bad day. But guess what? Everybody also has a tomorrow. So if today's bad, hey, great. We all have them. Make tomorrow better. Tomorrow sucks too. Guess what? You got another day after that. So make that day better. You've always got a chance. Sounds like a bot. Maybe. That's right. Moshi Moshi. Okay. Clay, with over 67,000 calls in the money this week, do you think it will affect the price of AMC next week, or is it not an issue? Johnsontown. We had a lot of calls expiring out of the money today, too, but I don't know. I don't think that 67,000 calls expiring in the money is going to cause a gamma squeeze, right? It is nice that we did close above $40 today. I think it's going to be more significant closed above 40, and we've got that level of support than it is the fact that we had 67,000 expire in the money. You're right, Crypto, you're right. Didn't see what Crypto had to say. Clay, low volume situation isn't realistic. Let's keep it real. This will be handled within a day, period. Yeah, I don't know if it'll be a day or if it'll be a couple days, but I do believe that, when the shorts do go to cover, the volume's going to be insane. I'm just not in the internet, though. AMC, relation to GME. Should I play both? Moshi Moshi, up to you. Up to you. If you don't want to put all your chips in one of them, they're very similar plays. It's not like you're diversifying at that point, but if you think that one has the potential to go higher than the other and you don't want to risk not being in the one that goes higher, hey, I have no problem being in both of them. Everyone has it tomorrow. Unless you bully Clay on TikTok, I'm coming after those darn kids. Yes, exactly. No day trading on TikTok now. All right, guys? You got it tomorrow unless you bully me on TikTok. Sam's coming after you. Everyone, okay, now I missed that one. Hey, Clay, thanks to SPRT. I made $6,500 cashed out and bought it all AMC. Let's go! The Salvatore Piazza. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. I was not in support. I know a lot of people did very well on support, and I love the fact, man, that you destroyed it today. You made some very good money. I like it. The Salvatore ripping the support, man. Very nice. Clay, have a good weekend. Vince, you as well. Have a good weekend. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Daddy, call you home. Maybe I was looking at 5-minute chart, W pattern, or wouldn't consider it a lowercase W. Yes, it could be a lowercase W on the 5-minute chart, not a big one. Is GME done? Sergeant, I don't think GME's done. I think that GME and AMC are moving in lockstep, man. Have a safe weekend, everyone. Let's continue to hold life-changing opportunities soon to come. Numbers are on our side. Don't get fooled. Avery, have a good weekend as well. Lauren, your birthday has the number 11, and maybe my name has the number 11. And my name has the number 11. Must be a sign. It is definitely a sign. It is definitely. I am on board with you on that one, Simon. I'm on board with you on that one, man. Let's see. I cashed out at 43, put all my gains in AMC. I'm 4 shares short of 100. Alex, very nice, man. 4 shares short of 100. I know you're going to go for that 100. I know you're going to get there. Poetic aspect of the stock support being the financial support that causes apes to give the one last push that triggers a short squeeze would be legendary. Yes, it would. Unless there's a stock out there called like Squeeze, and then Squeeze ran up and gave everybody the extra money that was needed in order to make the squeeze take place. That would be epic as well. Have a great weekend, Ape. Scott, have a great weekend as well. Who's saying sell at 50? Add some 0.00000. Yes, Ty. No, I don't know. Some guy's coworker was saying sell at 50s. Sell at 400,000. J-Man is holding out for a long time. I hope AMC Saga is over with soon. Not a bear. Just ready to move on. Super Steven. Yeah, I don't think you're a bear. I think everybody wants it to squeeze soon. I think everybody would agree with that. Thanks, Clay. Love your channel. Alex F. Thank you very much for hanging out with us and the support of the channel, man. I appreciate that. It can be exhausting, Super Steven. I feel that. Yeah, dude. I know. A lot of people want it to happen soon, right? And if you need to take a break from it, do not give up. Like, don't just call it quits. Take a break, right? I think that is crucial. If it does get too exhausting to the point where you want to give up, hey, I think a break would do you good. But I'm going to commit myself and my A's. There you go. And hold yourself accountable to yourself before you hold yourself accountable to me, too. Okay? You do you, and you know your situation better than anybody else does. If the price jumps, what's the best way to get notified? I don't stare at a chart all day. Doug, you should easily be able to set some alerts on with your broker. They can text you or email you. And I doubt they would call you. But you can set alerts on your brokerage account to look at a 10% jump, a 20% jump, an increase. You can set alerts that if it crosses above $50 a share or $80 a share, they'll send you a message or give you a little notification at the top of your screen. There's different trading platforms that'll do that too. Like, it doesn't have to be directly through your broker, but there are plenty of ways to set up notifications and just on whatever movement you want. Percentage gains over a certain price, all of that stuff. 67,000 calls to 6.7 million shares that have to be hedged for. Your thoughts on this? You think they could be naked or covered? If uncovered, would that mean they have to buy them? Yeah, so if they don't have those shares yet, they would have to go out there and buy those shares. I highly doubt that all 67 million or 6.7 million would need bought at this point. I feel like they've got a lot, and either a lot of them were already covered or accounted for at this point. But yes, so if they weren't currently accounted for, they will need to go out and buy those shares. Sip says, real talk, I used to feel like I had to watch the charts nonstop or I'd miss the squeeze, and then I had to keep an eye on this chat, and group helps me with a lot, much less anxiety about it all. That's what I'm talking about, Sam. That's what I'm talking about. And you know what? I will say, though, it is important to have an alert set or something to keep tabs on. Because if you're like, well, I'm going to take this entire week off and not look at YouTube, not look at Twitter, not look at Yahoo or any... I feel like it's going to be on every single website and every single headline possible when the squeeze does come. Everybody's going to be reporting on it and wanting to get views and clicks and all of that. So if you're like, I'm going full, I don't know, full living under a rock or living in the woods or whatever for a week, in that situation, you may miss it. But if you're just like, I'll set an alarm. If it goes above $100 a share, I'm going to get notified. If it goes above $80 a share and hits a new high, I'm going to get notified. If you do something like that too, I think that's a decent idea. Clay, is it FUD shows that I don't think we squeeze in 2021? No, man, I don't think that is... People, as soon as somebody starts to wonder when we squeeze or if it's going to squeeze, like, I don't think that that's fear, uncertainty, or doubt, right? I don't think that spreads fear, uncertainty, or doubt to anybody. Because whether you think it's going to happen in 2021 or 2022 or whatever, it doesn't make me think that it's going to happen in 2021 or 2022. Okay? if you're out there saying, well, man, it's not gonna happen at all, and here's why, you may be trying to cause some fear with people. Day traders, I could argue that they are spreading some fear by saying, or uncertainty, saying that it's simply a pump and dump, and that this has nothing to do with the short squeeze play, and it's a retail run up, and that you should only be day trading AMC. You know, in that aspect, I think that they could be spreading some sort of uncertainty, and I'm not exactly on board with that. Hey, Clay, do you think any of our apes made money on SPRT and dropped it in AMC? Oh, for sure, Salvatore Piazza. I already know they did. They've already said it. Guys, if you made some money on SPRT and dropped it into AMC today, hit Salvatore up in the chat right now. We need to know. Squeezing on September 20th, 2020. I'm calling it now. Not really. Close. Close. The only fear, uncertainty, and doubt I have is in which outfit I should wear when we all meet up and I see my best pals for the first time in real life. I will not be worried about the outfit that I am wearing. I can guarantee you it will be cargo shorts and some random t-shirt. Like, dead on, man. Dead on. Krypton bullish as ever, man, but I'm telling you right now, if we go to the apes, we move on and listen. You know what? Some of them might, but I think the true ones that are in it for a short squeeze realize that they've got the potential to do something beautiful here, and I think they'll stay in it. I don't think the apes are going to go anywhere. The day traders, we might lose those though. Yeah, I think the day traders and the people who are not worried about the squeeze, they might move on. We squeeze September 11th. Apes are possibly Sergeant, but that would be a very nice birthday present for Lauren. I think she would very well like that. You can have your opinion, but when we are still holding in 2022, I want you to, you're right, my bad. No, nobody's got to apologize or anything like that. We will remember, but it's okay. Imagine we meet up in 242 of us are in camo cargo shorts and a bro shirt. Sam, dude, I'm on. Every single one of us go buy some camo cargo shorts. I'll send out bro shirts to all 242 of us, and we just hang out. I think that's the way to go, man. It's like a company uniform. I think that would be the best hangout ever. If everybody was wearing camo cargo shorts and they had I don't know, black, white, or gray bro shirt on. I say we go for it. Thanks for all the comforting energy. I'm just worried about how people react if we go into 2022. Hey, man, I think the people that are still here are still going to be here. I personally do. And Gary D says, keep it up, man. Keep it up. 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 Thank you very much, Gary D, for the super sticker. I appreciate that very much. And it's always good to get a little workout in while you're doing the live stream. Because, yeah, man, you sit here for 2 hours. You gotta keep the pump going, right? You got to keep that pump going. Thank you very much, Gary. Appreciate that, man. I'm going to pass. Cargo shorts ain't for me. Come on, King of the Hill. Cargo shorts are for everyone. Everyone needs cargo shorts. I got something in my eye. I think I had an eyelash fall into my eye while I was keeping it up. Keeping it on. All right. The issue is YouTubers and bullish influencers on AMC stock and possible more dilution on the table next year. Who knows what that could do to AMC? Yeah, and all that. And hey, man, listen. If the country gets into a similar situation where AMC's revenue gets restricted again, that's going to be a different story. I mean, for sure, it's going to be another shorting opportunity for hedge funds to do that. But I truly believe that the people who are here. And I mean, I can see it every day because I'm watching the stream every day. I can see what you guys are talking about. I look at Twitter every day. I look at all the other YouTube streams every day and the comments on the videos and stuff. I think a lot of us would still be here 2022 easily. I like cargo shorts since you can carry 2 backup pairs of cargo shorts in the pockets and 4 additional pairs of those ones in the pockets. It's infinite shorts. Exactly, Brett. Exactly. It's like, oh, man. That one dude, Carbonaro, the Carbonaro effect. You know that show? That magician dude where he always does funny stuff? He should do a sales pitch. He should go work at a retail store and get those guys on some sort of a magic trick like that where he starts pulling infinite cargo shorts out of the pockets of infinite cargo shorts. That would be an amazing trick. Somebody needs to write that in and tell Carbonaro he needs to get that into a magic trick. because I think people's minds will be blown on that one. Oh yeah, we're bringing the cargo shorts back. Remember these things were really popular like back in the year 2000? We're bringing those back right now. And yeah, this is actually a very good pair because it's the infinite loop cargo shorts. What do you mean? Well, you can store as many cargo shorts as you want in the pocket of cargo shorts. Ah, that's impossible, man. No, it's not impossible. Actually, if you buy these cargo shorts here, you've always got a supply of brand new cargo shorts that you're never going to have to go out and buy another pair of cargo shorts before. Like the whole time, he's just pulling cargo shorts out of cargo shorts. That would be awesome. Can you do a video on AQST? I probably won't do one on AQST. Motivational speaker, Claybro, Sergeant. Thank you. Claybro's our counselor, motivational speaker. I don't know if I'm a counselor, but I try to help you guys, right? You know, enough match. You know, even though match chat moves super fast, I still caught Claybro's message. There you go. There you go. That's what I like, when you guys get your eyes out. Have you seen Cobra Kai? Awesome show on Netflix. I've never watched Cobra Kai. I do kind of want to see how many times I can do that with a vacuum sealer. There you go, Brett. Put cargo shorts in cargo shorts in cargo shorts until you can make it happen. And I say that's pretty good. Let us know. I want to see it happen. Clay, we're going to be able to get my stickers sent. Time is running out. Okay, yes. Lisa, I was waiting on Shayna to do more of the regular bro stickers. But look, because you said time is running out, I may not have... Give me 2 seconds. So I don't have the ape one. I don't have the ape one. And I also don't have transfer tape for these. So here's the thing. I will send you one of these, but you're going to need to put like a piece of tape or something over it. I can get it out in the mail today. Since I don't know if I'll see her, I can get it out in the mail. I'll get you one of the black ones, and then you can have the Bro Babes, the YouTube, and the Chip Bros. Alright? I'll do that. I was waiting on the other stickers for her to get them done, but she never got them done. So I'll get this sticker pack right here, and there's actually a envelope right there. So I'll put that stuff in, and I'll go put them in the mailbox. I was wondering about that because she was, I don't know, I guess she's busy, but I was supposed to get some more stickers made, and she didn't get them made. But you will get them. You will get them. I'll put them out hopefully today then, and hopefully that's enough. And hopefully you're good with no transfer tape on the one. Just use a piece of Scotch tape when you're putting it on something if you want. 50 stickers, right, Lisa? No, it wasn't 50 stickers. Come on. Bought 30 more shares from Gains. Very nice, Petey Pete. Adding to AMC with your SPRT gains. Those apes are like 7 to 10% of who we are. Let them sell. You're still looking with them gone. You're still looking with them gone. Yeah, we're still looking good, man. Let's see here. Missed that. Have to run. Have a good weekend, fam. DD214. Enjoy your weekend, BBIG. Don't know too much about BBIG. No adhesive means it's reusable. Yeah, technically, but those have adhesive, but they don't have the transfer tape part. So, but they do make reusable. They call them smart vinyl. They do make reusable stickers. I'm thinking about getting those. I need to proofread. Me too. That's okay. It can wait till next week. I just wanted to make sure you did. No. I didn't forget about you. Oh, no! Webcam's chat is back. If you can wait till next week, then I can probably get you the ones with transfer tape. But I don't know. I think she must have been busy or something because she didn't make me any this week. What is the aftermarket price now? Nikki89, good question. Aftermarket price is $40.96. We are about to go to $41 on the aftermarket chart. And slightly rising from the close right here. Slightly rising from the close. This is coming Wednesday, going the roof. It's coming Wednesday, going the roof. Interesting. Clint, oil, what cost average would you say the average ape has? Where is the bulk of the apes? Under 25. Okay, bulk of the apes, possibly, yeah, under 25. But I think the average holding price on AMC is somewhere in the upper 30s at this point. The average holding price, but I don't think that the average holding price reflects the average ape. I do believe that the average ape would be probably below 25. But the average holding price is like, I believe either upper 30s or lower 40s. Stonky Kong, welcome to the little bro. You guys know what I want to see. Thank you very much, Stonky Kong. I want to see 269. Welcome, Stonky Kongs, in the chat right now. Absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, supporting the channel, becoming a bro. I love it, and all of these welcomes are going to be for you. Welcome, Stonky. Welcome, Stonky Kong. Very nice. Did you already look at MMAT? If not, could you give it a quick look? A good investment. Dirk, I think MMAT's got some potential, man, if it runs back up. But I don't know. I mean, it completely depends on that. I don't know anything about their balance sheet, their income statements, or anything fundamental about MMAT. I do know that a lot of people are getting an MMAT though. What a name too. It's a good name, Stonky Kong. Brett's like, darn it, I wish I would have chose that one. Welcome, Stonky Kong. What's up, Kong? FOMO. Welcome, Stonky Kong. Stonky Kong. Very nice, guys. I can squeeze a buy back. Do they have to buy all synthetic shares first? Yeah, it's beef. So they're constantly covering the synthetic shares because I believe synthetic shares are derived from the FTDs. Like synthetic shares are meant to be created from. If you think that they've got some sort of like a fake share factory where they're going out and creating these fake shares that nobody knows about, that might be a different story. But I think that, yes, they're constantly filling those fake share orders and making them real shares. AMC Driver says, welcome Stonky Kong. Well, what's up, Kong? FOMO, welcome, Stonky Kong. Sprt FOMO, thank you. My name is better. Moshi's name is better. Okay. 900 shares at 955. My way. Very nice. I think it's possible. I think people watch Lou vs. Wall Street's AMC videos. Squeeze won't matter. So powerful and depressing. Oh, and what now? What now? I think that if Lou's promoting a video that says the squeeze won't matter, then something is wrong with that. My average price is 32, but plan on holding for what I feel my life changed my life. Scott, very good, man. That is exactly what everybody needs to do. We'll save starting at 25, aka OG apes. We are fine going into 2020, but maybe giving the new apes too much credit, saying if they paper hand, it's over. Thank you, Oil and Clay. For sure, man. For sure. Thank you, Super Steven, too. In fact, Stonky Kong was my always go-to in Mario Party. 10 out of 10 name. Dude, Stonky Kong is the man. Mario Party, though. I didn't play too much Mario Party. I played more Mario Kart. Reached 500 AMC shares today. LFG. Trey's Cat Titan. Very nice, man. Ready for movie night. Everybody needs a movie night, dude. Everybody. What movie are you going to watch tonight? I think one of the last movies I watched was... I think Tomorrow War is what it's called. It's Chris Pratt. Good movie. Come on, guys. I know it's Friday, but let's not slack on hitting the like button for Clay Bro. Smash the like button. Lisa, thank you very much. How many likes do we have? Did we get 300? Estimate on when the short squeeze happens? Soon, Tim. I always hope that it happens soon, man. Free guy. Very nice. Very nice. Let me know how it goes, because some people say they like that. Lou's the king of saying a lot while saying nothing. Lou's got a, Lou seems like he can charm a lot of people. 214, 295 watching. Come on, guys. Click that like button. Let's go 300 likes before the stream ends. Subscribe. I like you. You say my name. Moshi. Thank you very much. I do like you. I do like you. You get a good name, man. Get a good name. Stay away from Sprt. It's a FOMO pump and dump to get you away. Hey, yeah, it could be. It could be at this point. If the shorts are covered at this point, it could be pretty dangerous. But it seems like a lot of people did make a lot of money. I don't think that they closed out their AMC to get into Sprt, but oh man. www.monkey, cool, man. What are you doing? No registration required. Oh no. Oh, you guys are great, man. What's happening, bro? What's up, El Tuna? How you doing? You guys gotta stop being. You guys gotta stop being up people who being salty. What? Who I'm salty? Oh, bringing up people who I'm salty with, making me sound like I got issues with everybody. Exactly, Sam. Exactly. We bring somebody up you got issues with. It sounds like you're salty with everybody. We don't need that. I give up. Alex, why would you give up, man? You checked out the guy Astro, new DD. Oh man, Ray, dude, Ray. No, I haven't seen it. Your boy Astro is the one that was saying that, there's an endless loophole for shorts in the bonds. I completely disagree with that. And I don't think that they can endlessly short AMC stock using AMC bonds. That's just kind of crazy. So I have not seen his latest conspiracy theory on what to do with your AMC shares and how they can continually just rip shorts out of nowhere. Sprt is Clove. The new play is AQST, but don't sell AMC. Yeah, Clove had a very nice run. Sprt had a very nice run, and so on. What's with Sprt stock? It ran up, dude. Bought Sprt, kept AMC, then bought more AMC with profit. Donkey Kong! That's what we like to see, man. Let me have those bots. Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. I apologize, but I will not say good things about a person who openly made fun and mocked someone who was meant to... Yeah, dude, I saw that too. I saw that too. And I wasn't saying necessarily good things about him either, but I don't want to say anything bad about anybody. So, I don't watch Lou's channel. Up on my AMC with Sprt profits. Nice, Donkey Kong. What is AQST? Super Steven, a lot of people are talking about AQST as well, man. So if you want to check that out, it might run. With the amount of people that I see talking about it on a daily basis, it might run, man. I don't know if it will or not, but I see a lot of people talking about it. AQST is an FTA run on play, also low float squeeze play. Well, there you go. I see a lot of people talking about that on a daily basis. So there might be something to it if everybody jumps in it, but I don't want to point you in the direction of some sort of a pump and dump scheme and you get burnt either. I think Lou is redacted. I don't have any good thing to say about him. Fill in the blank, how you will. Yeah, I don't watch his channels, man. I watched a few of his videos, or I don't watch his videos. I couldn't even watch his videos from the beginning simply because his language is so foul, but I don't understand why a lot of people watch it, but they do, so he's got a lot of people who watch his stuff. What happens if all 300 of us all squeeze clay at the same time? I guarantee I will pop. And we will go higher if you all squeeze me at the same time. And with that comment, the Transparency Project says puts on Lou. It's like the first thing he had. Which question? Say it again. Yes, Alex. Oh, Oil. Lauren, do you think AMC will go up because of Sprt squeeze? Gains from that squeeze, people buying AMC next week, or do you think the price will get to 50? Alex, I think the price is going to go beyond 50 at some point, man. I don't know if it's going to be next week, but I do think that some people are going to take their profits from Sprt and put them into AMC. I do see that happening. I don't know if we're going to get such a run in profits from everybody in Sprt jumping into AMC or not, that we see a huge increase in price. But I do believe that we're going to watch it. I do believe profits will trickle down on into AMC. And I don't know if it's going to be enough. I highly doubt it's enough profit jumping from Sprt to AMC to make it close above 50. But at some point, I do believe we're going to squeeze well past 50. You'll bust all over the place. Exactly, AMC Trapper. I just didn't want to say it. Alright, guys. It's past 5 o'clock. I'm still going to get a video out this evening, so let's call it for today. Let's enjoy the rest of our evenings. Make sure to check the video out. It should be out around 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you guys want to try and be the first one that watches it, I know a lot of you guys jump on there and say first and so on. And since YouTube doesn't like to share the live streams and videos anymore and allow, notify people, make sure to share the live streams. Make sure to share the videos with everybody. Weeble, all the good links down there, all the links in the description. Claybro883 on Twitter and on Instagram if you want to check me out. And yes, and Petey Pete, man, thank you for the super chat earlier. I appreciate that. MMAT as well. Very nice, Petey Pete. Nothing wrong, guys, with running these other plays and trying to make some money while we're waiting on the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. Good deal. Transparency's in MMAT as well. Sam Blow, did I just crack the case? I missed it. You guys are crazy. But if you want to shout out, get your name out in the chat right now. We'll get the shout outs going on. Say goodbye to everybody. And make sure to check that video out later. So let's get the shout-outs going. Oil Tip, Sam Blow, 3 to King, PDP, Transparency Project, JW, man, yes. Alex, shout out to you. Trey Subway Cup, 11 Mr. Simon, Black Wall Street, Sam Blow, Nikki, 89, have a great weekend. Carlos, man, have a good evening, great weekend. Lauren, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, Lauren, and hopefully you get to hang out with your friends sometime soon. Lisa, enjoy your weekend as well. Alex, absolutely, man. Matthew McConaughey, enjoy your weekend. Go get some sun out there in Hawaii, my dude. Hey, Crypto Rocketeer, thanks for the loading screen. All right, we all love the loading screen. Trent, Dirk, Brett, have a good weekend. Ryan, Vastille, enjoy it, man. AMC Trapper, peace out to you, man. Enjoy your evening, and hopefully you have a good weekend. Alex, good. See, I see some of the same names coming across again now. So, guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, my God. And as I'm about to click the screen, Jamila Leslie, out of nowhere, with the super chat. I cannot leave. I was just about to click the button. I was just about to click it, and she sends it and retracts the message. Don't know what's going on with that, Jamila. I don't know why you retracted the super chat. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. What? All right, guys. When I say that we're leaving, we can leave, and then you guys can keep all the super chats. Jamila, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't know why you retracted the message. If you want to get it back out there, get it back out there. I need to see it. And Fidel, man, El Tuna, thank you very much for the super chat. Thanks for all you do, bro. Have a great day. I really appreciate the super chat. Oh my gosh, I thought we were leaving, and thank you, man. Thank you guys for all of the support. I appreciate it. And Jamila, I'm putting it back. Put it back, Jamila. Put it. I don't know if you can put it back or not, but just say it again. I want to see what you said. Oh my gosh, guys, keeps it going super. No, we were supposed to be leaving, but I didn't see what Jamila said. Now she said she's putting it back, but she retracted it. And now I don't know. I feel bad that she retracted it. And can you put it back once you retract the message? I don't even. Jamila, you can't just go. Somebody teach Jamila how to use the chat. Okay, Jamila says there. Okay, because she sent another one. And Oil Tip. Thank you, man. You know what to do with the salt shaker. You got it. Jamila, I promise I'm going to get to it right now. Oil Tips. Man, he's got the salt. You throw it out. You get it. You pour it over your shoulder. And then he says, all right, let's get some more. And you get it in your eye. Thank you very much, Oil Tipped. I appreciate that. Petey Pete, man, says, see you later. Thank you very much, Petey Pete. I appreciate the super chat. You are the man. Lauren wants to see the peach. One more time. One more time before the weekend starts. Lauren says, just a little peach. I just got to see a little bit of that fuzz before we start the weekend. So just let's get the peach, Clay. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate the super sticker. Carlos says, I am not leaving. You guys are ridiculous, man. Carlos, thank you very much for the super chat. AMC Trapper says, bye, Clay, bro. AMC Trapper, why'd you do that, man? Thank you very much for saying goodbye to me. Goodbye to you as well, AMC Trapper. Oil Tip says, not today. I want to see another peach. Let's get it. Oil Tip, this peach is for you. Nobody else can touch it except for Oil Tip. This is you, man. It's nice and fuzzy. The fuzzy ever been. So thank you very much for the peach. Transparency Project says, I can't start the weekend right without watching Clay Bro eat a banana. So you take it, you bring that banana down, you peel it, and then you got the lick and stick technique. Compliments of Natalie. Thank you very much, Natalie. You got to tilt the head back, lick it, and stick that banana down in there. Thank you very much, Transparency. I appreciate that. Kimberly Craven, thank you very much for the... Thank you for the very, very beautiful super chat. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that, Kimberly. Thank you very much. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you very much for the super chat, Kimberly. I appreciate that. And Oil Tip says, I gotta see Clay upside down. What is going on, Oil Tip? This is one of the most ridiculous super chats because all of the blood rushes to my head, and then I'm very dizzy afterwards. So thank you very much on that. Let's go back up to the girl that started it all, Jamila. Thank you. My thoughts on after matter of fact that Matt focusing more of his on SPRT than AMC today had on the community as a whole. I own $150,000 of AMC and SPRT, but I think the action was irresponsible. Jamila, thank you for letting us know. Oh, did she send... Jamila sent another one. And yes, I agree. Listen, guys, AMC YouTubers, I don't want to say have an obligation, but AMC YouTubers should be focusing on AMC. Matt is starting to branch out and talk about a lot of stuff. It's his channel. I can't tell him what to do on it, but I do believe it took a lot of attention and a lot of focus on some other stuff. It's cool to talk about what's running, absolutely, but I think that it does get a little bit dangerous in that aspect where we need to keep the focus on AMC. And Jamila, Leslie, thank you very much for the other super chat. I appreciate that. You are absolutely amazing. I should have been gone 10 minutes ago, but you are absolutely amazing. Thank you very much. And Lauren says he's not done yet. He's not done yet. What kind of a weekend would it be if we didn't have the unicorn? So, thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate the unicorn. Absolutely. You guys are just destroying this weekend so far. Thank you very much for a very interesting last 5 minutes, last 10 minutes of the stream. You guys are just destroying it right now. Thank you very much. Now, the real question, okay, and Oil Tip says, we are not done yet. He wants to watch me lick an ice cream cone, right? So we've got the ice cream cone right here. And he says, yeah, that's a, it is a very good, it's a very good, very good ice cream cone. I love strawberry. Thank you very much, Oil Tipped. And Crypto Rocketeer says, we are not done yet because you still have to show us the peach. So we've got the peach for Oil Tipped, or for Crypto Rocketeer. Guys, Lauren saw it, Oil Tipped saw it. Now we've got Crypto Rocketeer seeing it. Thank you very much for looking at the peach right now. It is, oh my gosh. Petey Pete, man. Hype, 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 hype. I'm starting to sweat. I can feel it already. I'm starting to sweat. Thank you very much, Petey Pete, for an amazing hype, man. I love it. And Banana Man says, not so fast, Clay. Not so fast. But he did not send anything with that super chat. So thank you very much. I think Banana Man, it's only fitting that he gets a banana just for himself, right? He gets a banana just for himself. This bad boy's peeled. You got the licking stick. You go a little, lick it, and then stick that in there just for Banana Man. Thank you very much, Banana Man. Oh my gosh. And Carlos says, I'm still not done. Clay is going parabolic. Guys, if you can't handle the volatility that is taking place in this live stream right now, you certainly won't be able to handle the volatility that takes place on AMC. So get used to it, get pumped, get ready. And this is exactly what you're going to see during the short squeeze. I know that you can handle it because I can handle it. I'm sweating. I guarantee. Yep, look at this. Look at this right here. Guarantee that's the kind of sweat everybody's going to be having at the end of the day. AMC Trapper says, my hero. My hero. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. I appreciate that. AMC Trapper is my hero. Yes, he is. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. I appreciate you guys are just destroying it right now. I can't believe that I'm sweating. I thought we were just going to leave, and it's been 12 minutes right now, so this is getting absolutely ridiculous. You take longer to say bye than Lauren does. Sam, I didn't think that we were going to get to this point. I did not think we were, but it is true. Lauren was the master of goodbyes. Now I am the master of goodbyes. Thank you very much, Sam, for the super chat. I appreciate that. I'm trying my best to say goodbye, but I'm channeling my inner Lauren right now, and it is not working. You guys, you got to give me some sort of a little bit of a break where I can actually say goodbye, though. Banana Man. Thank you very much, Banana Man. Thank you very much, Banana Man. Thank you very much, Banana Man. I appreciate that. He wants a behind the scenes. Everybody needs a behind the scenes right now. What do we got going on? And he wants to say hi to himself. So hey, say hi to yourself right there. It is getting crazy in here. Behind the scenes, this is going crazy right now. I do not believe it. We are not leaving. We are absolutely not leaving. And you are not trapped. Now, you are trapped with us. Jay, I feel trapped with everybody in here right now. It's getting ridiculous. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I feel like we need to start the weekend. And the video is just going to be delayed this evening. So I don't even know what you guys are doing. Platoon, don't leave. Camel rockets. I don't know why we got camel rockets going on, but you are absolutely correct. Oil Tip says more and more. I say it's time to go. I say save it for Monday. Let's enjoy the weekend. You look like a Cobra Kai student. I might be a Cobra Kai student. We obviously love Clay. Crypto Rocketeer, obviously I love you guys too. You are absolutely amazing. Kylo Ren says more. Oh my gosh. All right, we're going to take a deep breath. Jamila, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I almost clicked the end button. Jamila, you are incredible. Thank you very much for that. I don't know why you retracted that original message. I appreciate it. Bye, 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 bye. Most likely grilling chicken this week. Most likely. Thank you for asking, Trent. I will. TMI's pineapple. It's time to go, guys. The blood pressure is up. I am sweating right now. Now I'm going to have to relax for a minute. And everybody take a deep breath. Everybody, as we leave, get a nice shout out for Jamila for what she did there. That was incredible. I appreciate that. Did not expect it. And you guys absolutely went crazy on it. You guys are amazing. And please, enjoy your weekend. Okay? Enjoy it. Well, we're set up for the weekend now. Yes, we are set up for the weekend now, man. Oh my gosh. Listen to this at work. Best goodbye ever. It has me rolling. Dan. It has me rolling too. I did not expect that. You guys are absolutely amazing. Good job, guys. Dude, 100%. Good job. You guys are incredible. That was a lot of fun. And JW, man, I'll see you guys later. Peace out, everybody. Finally, we can get these goodbyes going. And before anybody gets any ideas, let's get the goodbye out there right now. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, man, you guys are awesome.